Let me keep this thing close by, man. Trust me, we keep this thing close by. Me not lie. Why? Let me tell you. Give me some of this, man, me tell you. These people, I'm telling you, they say me and them, me tell you. Me say actually, me couldn't find my key a while ago, you know. But me couldn't find my key. Me run out the door, but me never have on no shoes. You understand me? Me never have on no shoes. You understand me? I'm going to make sure I have my key close by. Because next time I run you down, right down the friggin' road. You understand? Right down to the last friggin' stoplight. You understand me? I'm out of order. You know your house, you walk out the window and can you eat so hot enough to get like a fresh air. One minute this one young white girl turn up out of the window and video me. I video me. Stand up and video me in my own house, come out the young window. If you catch the fresh air, clean up the place, I video me. So I say, man, one day you want, you still have video me. So I look for the key and run out the door and look, she wait, she must go on the road, I can't find no which way she turn. But I'm telling you, I make sure my key rock next time I run it down and I video you. I run it down. You kind of people window try video people on their window. That's out than this. I said, ma'am, and she still stand up there video me the white girl. I wouldn't want from them. My black toto they want to see. And my black pony all they must want to see. I don't know what's wrong with these people, I'm telling you. I'm in my house, I try to clean up. And I say, I don't come on live until next week sometime. I don't plan to come on live now. Because I get white. You know? I get white and I mix up the cream upon the ground. I have cream and soap and pack upon the ground for the wholesale thing there. Because I have one medicine will come sometime 2 years to take for come. And when I go to the woman, I say, I really need the medicine because I want to be white for summer. I have medicine will make you white, but I want to be whiter because with that one, I need a lot to be white. So the woman tell me, say, she go get some for me in 5 days. For the 5 days, I never sleep. 5 nights, I never get no sleep when I fret over the little robins. I not going to lie to you, no. The other robins I have is very good. Very, very good. But this one here, come lazy, he white me in 3 days. Because you notice that Friday night, I get it, and you see how I look already until on Monday. Right? So, I know that it's the best medicine I use, but it's hard to get. Sometimes it take all 2 years to come. I don't know why them keep doing this. So the woman tell me when she was going to get something for me. For the 5 days, I hardly sleep. I turn and turn for the whole 5 days. I count the days and the hours then to get the little rubbings. I tell you, it's that detrimental to me. You know, because I know so some around the corner and I want white now. Because nobody don't like your black when you don't have straight nose. So if you don't have small nose is straight and your nose big, might as well put on little rubbings because you're going dead anyway. No matter about cancer, this and that. Well, everything you eat a cancer, food a cancer, everything I kill you. So might as well me take like a shame off of me because nobody don't want to talk to me on my black. Nobody. They go back to Jamaica in your banana boat. Go back. You know, that's what they keep telling me. When I put on like a color now, hi, where you from? From CM Jamaica, I come from. Woman turn up on my window video me. I must sit next to money I work with her something. So me run go out the barefoot a while ago, me find the key and run down, but me not see her. Because me go run her down. Yo, me can't. Listen good, this is not a laughing matter, it's a detrimental thing. Alright? Me take some time off a line and say, I'm not coming on for a while. Because I have to be white and then I have to change my accent and change my look before I come back on. So nobody would know say it's me. They treat it better because they like everybody were white and they don't care if nobody like them. So I said I'm going to be white and put on some white ear also. And try if nobody realize it's Olivet so I can get more views, you know. Once there's a nice white girl. Because people don't like you when you're black. Your own black people don't like you when you're black. And it's a fucking shame, but they do. Alright? I tell up the woman have right now, the woman if she had daughter or somebody, she have or something, I know who them people is. The last my 2 white man. You know, me window, so all me a ball out, you see me clear, go. So child, I am going through a lot, you know. Because, you say, after me wait for the whole 5, almost 6 days for the little robins to come. Alright? When me go, I go 3 cases me get. 3 cases. I want 6 or 7 case, 3 case me get. Alright? Me take the 3 case and me come back. And the white soap, I me sell all the while, like a white soap, you know, people like. Me see somebody else have don't have 3.5 dozen. Me say give me 6 dozen, don't have 3.5 dozen. Me take the whole 3.5 dozen. Right? And as so me come and put on the little rubbing for my kin and try me little rubbing marinate in my damn kin. Yes, then make it up now, come the lazy cook the day before. And me go back and pick up the soap them and me buy a piece of chicken breast and sit in my name so my I was like 5 chicken breasts me take out. You know what I mean? So many I'm like 3 chicken breast them. I must left 2, me take a piece of them and I warm it. And child, I tell you, I have bad luck and up here follow me. You tell me they don't want me brown and they don't want me look good. Then do want me brown and then do want me look good, you see? Child, as I pull out the pot out of the oven and warm out of the oven there, you know, stainless steel frying pan them. So the whole angle of stainless steel, you can stick it in the oven for warm. So I'm going to stick it in there. And as I take it out, girl, and put it in the corner, and I bend out and do so and turn my pipe. For me and me, I wash out one here, though. And the pot angle sticking in my gut. And that's all me realize. By the time I realize the pot angle sticking in my gut, it make one big hole in my gut. It melt right through like a plastic in my gut. So me end up now with a big hole, bun from the fucking frying pan, take out piece of my gut. You see that? And it take out piece of my shoulder a couple of days ago. Like a obia. See where it first get bun there. So me I try to get white and to make the gut white now. The gut can't get so white because I can't put no rubbings here so now. After it I get so pretty already for the 2 little days, the bad mind then come with the obia and send Satan to come bunny up. You know? She wait 5 days for the rubbing, make we burn up her ass. You know, her belly I get too brown and pretty, man, and she go exercise and bring the gut down because some around the corner. We don't want to see her like that. Bunny off. So I saw the pot angle catch me and burn off my damn kin. Make it white. So the bunny bun, I see the evening bun, so see the bunny off. You see? And the little rubbings. See, it even done work. It just a work because guess what? I won't go 3 days. Make a little rubbings work now. You have enough work left to do. Then come through the window, they want to stop me from rub. You know? I through the window, I video through the window. I say, ma'am. And she still turn up there. Then she start to walk real fast. Come here, look for me keys. I'm going to keep me clean close because I'm going to run down on the Ross. Me and Uno this summer, I'm going to run them down. I'm going to run them down and scream, hey, you people in the house, why me naked body, you? Yes, you make everybody hear them and feel them and put them out there. And put them on the internet so people can see them. You're not right now, man, window, turn up your young white girl. You turn up in my window, a video sitting, a video, and a thing, and I run down the, like, what you think? How you think? You can't open your window, make the like a bad color one in there, so smell fucking white dark shit in there, so, you know. She send people come in your window because she's sick. She get up in the morning, she broke off the whole of the bathroom to bust down the whole house. I just lock up in the other side there and I not go out there. Because I know so she want a problem. If boy know she done serve traffic or court, she want a problem in this house. She say, like she said, soon enough, you go to jail. Soon enough, you go to jail, you know. Soon enough, you're going to be in jail. You know that? Yeah, soon enough, you're going to be just soon enough. A blood clot racism. Soon enough in your mama big hole. Soon enough where? Me not do nobody nothing. Me not take upon nobody. I'm straight in this country. I'm a citizen. You understand me? Me started working in this country and it was $4.25 an hour. $4.25 an hour. But soon enough you go to jail. Soon enough you're gonna get out of here and go live back in your van on the road. And suck man off. Soon enough, that's what you're going back to do. And when the summer come and done, the winter will come again. And your ass will be cold because nobody not going to have in them house. I run through them clothes, I dig through them clothes, I put in the living room, I dig out you sitting them on the ground, and go into the closet, I dig out my clothes out of the closet, I pack up in there. So, me know where I look for in the one there, and dig down the whole place. And scatter everything. Take dirty sitting and going in the bathroom and dash in the tub, wash plate in the tub, cook in the room, dash food in the tub, the bathroom, make it look dirty. Like me go run back home and keep cleaning. So me clean it and that's it in there. Me left it dirty. Turn up and make it and be and go about my Ross business. You see me? So, me be there now, me not going to put on the rubbing. So, if I put on the rubbing, if I open the window because the heater burn off, but little rubbings off for me kin. So, me I get light the heater, try get me black again. Because in your hat, you understand me? I mean, I have no, what you call it? Sunscreen. Forget some Neutrogena sunscreen. Because in the house, you have to wear the sunscreen. Because when it gets so hot, I know me for close the window. Because enough of them all keep tearing to the window. So, me for drop down the blind. For drop down the blind. I must blind if you blind your ass. Blind. Why I tell you these people in this country? You know, a woman a peep in town, man a peep in town, what the hell? What the hell and the hell and the hell and the hell? In town, man. I'll put the mannequin at the window because it's so hot and the window not stay no more. So I'll put the mannequin at the window. See how the window stay? I saw it stay from outside. And she stand up right this one video through. See that? I saw it stay open up wide, you can see right through. And I put the mannequin, and the mannequin face out the door. Because you have to hold the window up so fresh air can come in. So I flip on the mannequin in. And she turn up there, I take picture. I take up on a video. Fuck. And listen. I'm done now. Clean me a clean the place, you know. Clean me a clean the place, man. Can't walk me window to clean the place and pack out this and get up this morning. I'm going to make so much of cream this morning. The cream that I have mixed already fine. I'm going to mix them over because I make the white medicine and so I'm good and one at white medicine. Them have the special goodies then. So I'm going to get up this morning and all I sit up on the floor with paint with cream and all and sitting up on the ground. I get up this morning and mix so much back like cream, get the shea butter, belly bead and everything and ship out everything this morning. For all the customers that went out over the weekend. Come on. Can we get to clean up the fucking place? Eh? Video. He said, man, do man. He said, my blood pressure go up, you see, man. My blood pressure just raised just like that. Just like that, you know, because I don't like trouble. Just like that. And I said, I'm taking time offline because I don't want company I have to color like the way I am now. You know, I'd rather come when the process is done. As I can say, the process not done. It's only a couple of days. I can't get no chance for that. You know, I not have no right. I not have the right for one to be white. Young people, me tell you, burn out piece of me got now, burn out. You burn out, man. See, they burn out. You burn out. Oh, Jesus, I don't like to get so upset in the early morning. I'm telling you, fucking get me upset now. I feel upset as hell. You know, my blood pressure, I'm ready for that fucking scream and the police won't show up. Because what you in my window doing? What are you in my window doing? You understand? What you in my window doing? What in my window doing? You understand me? See her? I said, ma'am, she's still the same like the two man in that door. You know why my key never close? I just run out and just grab him same time and said, what you doing on video? Why you're in my window video? Why you doing this? Why are you doing this? You walk by your business, somebody window you gone up on them fucking window with camera. Why you doing this, miss? What's your problem? That's what I want to ask you. Why may I tell her, Dread? In this country here, may I tell her, last time I told about me, someone better drink some milk. Give me half an hour, drink it out. Get out for nice now. But out for bangarang. I make building every day, building every day, I build up that go blood clot heaven. In a God's sky, I build. Every fucking day in a God's sky. That's all I do. Build. Money, build. Everybody die. You know, you live today, you're dead tomorrow, and they just keep building. More people keep burning, they keep building, they keep lying, they keep doing the same shit. Tired of it. I wonder when the world is going to crash. The world will crash. You understand me? Because all this stuff for them I do, not right. If you crash, man, if you crash. Not right at all. Oh, damn, it's a big fart. Sorry about that. My fart so big, I'm going to drink no tea from man. Fart so big, I'm going to drink no tea from man. I tell you, fart is poop. I guess the gas that on my ribs to us. Right? Me feel I move on down. Wickedness, man. You can't get no time for nothing at all. Come on. Now my clothes to put on, I never put on my clothes. My beard, I just have on sitting from my beard. I have my clean clothes and pan the bed and I put on. I take up my pom shorts. And I take up a piece of tights. And a piece of clean blouse to put on. So I can go work out and sit. Can't get a chance to look to one turn up at the window just so. What the fuck you want from me life? What do you want? White man na window, white woman. I see one black person na window here for me coming. Not even one black person. All white with camera. One of us see a black skin before. And next time you come and you see, follow one thing, you see, girl. I'm ready to follow myself. I skin up the pokey gear when you come. But you may follow myself. I don't want white people have the pokey all over the place. Come on, man. That's crazy. Demonic spirit them. Demonic spirit them. That's what they are. Demons. Demonic spirit, man. Because only demons can make you sit there. And demons. A demonic spirit. Imagine you come win a smarty window. Win a smarty window to gosh. What you doing a smarty window with freaking camera? Ain't you a young white girl look like you're only in your 20s or so? What the hell are you doing window 20 something? We are doing somebody window like that. Why? Eh? Where you hear say, who said them come? They keep telling them, say, who said them come, then go and go back, you know, because I'm not plan to come on this internet thing, I work for things for do. They can't sit up on internet every day. You understand me? Make sure my rubbings, my sit themselves set up good, everything ready, because somebody right on the corner. They can't sit on every internet every day. I sit down and I don't have to do. It's there, we can't use it until I'm ready. I'm not crying, we can't use it when we're ready. Make sure I'm good. Somebody right on the corner, but you're going somebody else. By a point, I'm even shave it. And that's the time when summertime come, you can take off the jacket and go out the door with this big old gut. This big old side that everyone like any young smarty. Everybody else work out and I try to get themselves ready because and that's the shame I'm going to take you. That's the time the shame is going to take you. It's when you come outside and it's hot and you know, so you can't wear this work of clothes when you're hot. You can't wear the big old jacket to hide your body no more when you're hot. You cannot. You're going to have to come out in a summer dress or like a tights and a t-shirt. You're going to have to come out something smaller. And when you come out, that's the time you realize what problem you're in. Because most of the time when that happens to me in the summer come down for me have to buy some big old shirt and take the big old shirt them to hang over my gut on my side. You understand me? And I don't want to be like that because the summer is already here and it got big. You understand me? The summer is already here. So that's the reason why I'm trying to put the little rubbings on and then can't give me a break. So sitting here done for when I have it. I love it to sit. My pum shot, one little sitting at each up here, hold on it together. You know what years I have this? I want jeans, when they have me buy the jeans, you know, the day I buy the jeans, when I get money from sugar daddy. God knows I never appreciate it because anything I seen. I couldn't have better buy the jeans. The way the man cuss me like dog. When I buy the jeans fit so good in the store, man, I feel like it kind of tight and sit. No, it makes sense. After a while, I just cut up with Ross. I couldn't catch sugar daddy. And I can't kill him, but I can't cut up it. So I cut it up. I'm at the sort of time in the house because that's all it is. No value nothing. When I sell a soul to the devil, in a value, not a fucking thing. Nothing in a value. And then again, you have to chop you up a disease. That's grass then. Grass is over there. Grass, that's all they want. Because if you get a little right figure, I want people to pick up the table in our hands and they can't get my crutches no more. Can't get my crutches no more, so I'm vexed now. You know what? I'm not going to ride to one people. Forget about her, you know? You know? She do better now. She can find food and clothes and everything for herself. So she's not going to go under my rule. So I try to get on a ride because that's not going to phase her right now. I know the kind of person she is. You know what I mean? I'm not going to fucking get on a ride like me a fucking taxi all the while. Because that bitch not going to give me nothing. That bitch not going to give me nothing. I can't get no front from her again. I should treat her better and get her $100 and $200 blood clot until I hush her mouth and this and that and cuss her. You think she'll go pay me mine now? She'll not pay me at a damn mine now. All of them will come and I'm sorry for one sometimes. Sometimes I'm sorry for someone. You know I'm sorry for someone sometimes. I don't have no goddamn sense. And when a person has no goddamn sense, I don't pay them no mind. They want to be in your shoes so much they have to fucking hate you because they want to be in your place. And you don't have nothing, you know. You don't have nothing. You're not lucky someone, you're lucky you don't get unblocked. You're not lucky you get unblocked because just like a fingertip on a poop on out of here. Because when someone play it and think on play it, I'm going to find them. I find you know. I come like surgeon. I find my fucking vein and cut the vein. I don't know me to us. I don't know me, man. I'm like a surgeon. I find the vein for a blood clot and cut on the vein. I can blood run out. So when I can't go on to the salt and pepper them from the restaurant when they give me finish the food, they all over the floor. You understand me? That is how it reach. Oh Lord, I tell you. These people. Yeah. You understand me? Find the vein and cut the vein. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a fortune of glory divine, era of salvation. Yes, man. Gonna come. Hey, hey. Someone well want to see me come off of this. On a well want me come off of everything, right? Me not know where I go. Take some time I forget why. You know, when I come back on, it's gonna be different now. Different now when I come back, y'all. You know, I won't change my accent now. You know, be English. You know, I went to Heathrow Airport. I get off. I'm going to England. Yeah. Heathrow Airport. Gonna lie to you, can't see now. See, look at Robins are work, but they're far from reach, goody. Couple more days we reach, you know, because all the black is all come off. And the black, and then everything, the blackness of the lip, and everything gonna go. Say glory, hallelujah. Huh. Smell, smelly, smelly white dog. Smelly, smelly, I'll leave it. See the light, I can't see more than light. It take time, man, it take time. It come though, you know. Remember, I just Friday night, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, today and Monday. Today and Monday. So it go come out right. You hear me? Yeah. When then come on mad, I'm glad I'm not mad, you know. Because I'm glad, I can really get no attention that no matter no still have to come. That's what I love about me. I have magic touch. You don't like me, but you have to be here. What a power I carry. What a power, what a wonderful Lord we serve. Ain't it? You don't like me, but you have to be here. You sit there punching the 8 button because you're so angry with yourself. Not with me. Oh, no. Not with me. You can be angry with me. I haven't done anything to anybody. So why would I angry with me? Because I'm getting white now. Everybody be white in my window taking pictures, so I have to be white and taking pictures of people too. What's the problem? What do you want from my life? I can't be the one you want me to be, but I could be myself. Get on it. Hello, my goodies. Yeah, oh. How are you? Get what now? Just give me a couple more days now, so I can fully change the accent. So the skin, why did the accent get better? Don't worry about it. I love you too. You know, people don't like you because you be yourself. They don't love you. So the bleaching cream, somebody take out all the coloring out of my ear. Rub out, you know what the cream you touch? The coloring gone out of the ear. You know, I can make sure you're so white too, you can't make it so black. So I tell you, this was Friday night now. Friday, Saturday, Monday. Yeah, I love you. You know, what I don't like about people, you know, they're always trying to bring you down, you know. And you said to yourself, why are you trying to bring me down? I've been down all my life. I can't go down no more than what you bring me. You know what I mean? You can't do no damage. I already gone to thirds to the dogs. Do you hear my mama cuss me? I already gone to the dogs. It's nothing you can tell me now. You know what I mean? Yeah. So don't try to bring me down today. You can't bring me down today. Britney Spears, she sing a song, ain't it? What she said? I'm beautiful, no matter what you say, 'cause words can bring me down. Down to bring me down today. Free your soul. Free yourself from the enemy of vipers, connivers, evildoers. I can't wait for tomorrow so I could brown some more. And like I said, see, I still having a pink hair, so you know it's not a long time I've been creaming because I ain't changed my hair yet. I was like, I gotta change it, but I want it to grow out a little bit more from the roots. The roots are still good. I don't want to keep taking out and putting to rip out a little bit of hair that I got left. Make it grow a little bit more and take it out soon. But when I'm real white, this pink gonna show. Lip gloss, and it's gonna show nice. Yeah. I love everyone. Yeah. I love you too. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, because my hair is pink, so I'm going to use that name, lip gloss, because it's nice for me, because the hair is already pink. You know, I can be the gloss of the lip. I love everybody now. Don't get me wrong, because people you thought they take it the wrong way. You know what I mean? You know, people is already they like to start problem and lies and shit. It's not like that. I'm just being funny. Okay? Okay, Lippy. Yeah. So yeah, I love you. I do too. Big up everybody. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, and big up Chin too. You say, Oliver, get up and go to work like everybody else. Yeah. And I know she does, so big her up for that speech, for endorsing me. Can't curse nobody when they're endorsing you, man. At least they're endorsing you and they say they watch you. Come on. How many of these haters watch you? None of them. Most of them don't even watch your video. The woman said she watch them. Left the woman alone. So she watch them and she enjoy them. So let her be. Let her be honest. Yeah, so... Yeah, the woman was right in my window. That shit let my heart feel like I want to pop somebody this morning, Lord. I said, Lord, I want to pop somebody in the head with the goddamn country fist. I got the fist to pop you in your head, girl. I got the fist. Come on, you hater. March right in. Come on, you haters. I still do my whitening thing. I'm gonna be white, 'cause white always right. Always give black a big 35. I'm a white girl. I'm white. And so on. Who don't like me, kiss my black twat. Twat, twat, twat. And so on. So I'm always a day going whole life. Big up England, big up Jamaica, my hometown, and all the good gorgeous girls them say pop up. Kingston, Jamaica, Spanish Town Road, and all them places they're halfway tree. All the way up in a Portland, I miss to take body pan tree. Big up on yourself, pan the banana leaf them in the bush. Sweet, sweet, sweet ride, we said. Big up on the God himself, Jamaica. Big up Toronto. No, so I don't like me some crackhead. Them soon some me a crackhead, because them wicked. I'm wicked in there, no scared. When I see I've gonna, she a jugs head. I crack the woman, the police say something wrong with her. She's something wrong with her. She's something wrong with her woman. She mad. No, okay, you can't be funny. You must be drop like them drop hole. Ah, damn. Oh, my tights. I'm next tight up. Me clean me put on for washing now. So you go. Anything you catch at Jamaica, me come from. Yeah, so you know, they're gonna judge you. You know, she's mad. Something wrong with her head. I walk across the snow. Walk across it. I walk across it. Money cost it. Money cost it. If you get paid to mama cloth, I walk across it. No, I'm gonna be like a chin. But like when she do that to party sweet when she do so. Like when I like a baby I kick up in the bed. No, sir, I'm not fast enough people business. But me I tell her that shit was funny. I ain't lying. That girl make me laugh. Oh God, after me curse the poor girl. Yeah, no, nothing still. I just joke. Hey, girl, don't worry. Yes, child, I tell you, I'm here for everybody. Split justice, and I love everybody. Nobody I'm trying to hate, and I love each and every one. We have them own little way about them. People have their own personality, and maybe, you know, like some things that people do. But finally, you get to like the personality. You know what I mean? And some things you're not going to follow up on people beat on other people, but you will like other people's personality. You know what I mean? Because I'm not into that to beat on nobody. I'm not into them shit that to beat on nobody. Even though some people never learn. No matter how you try to be good to them still hammer you down. All you try to be good to them, you know? Are you real with them? Them still hate you. See them with the hammer? Bitch. 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 Them still a try. Monkey. You're this, you're that. All you try. If you say, listen, nobody war nobody. And ease them still a beat you down. So sometimes you can't sorry for nobody. Sometimes you feel like everybody get them punishment because what goes around, come right back around. Hello. Hello and good morning, Toronto. Good morning, England and Italy, France, Europe, Hong Kong. Who say India, don't go Pakistan. Wanna big up on yourself, Nigeria. Yes, Libya, big up on yourself. All of Nigeria, Liberia, and everywhere. So Liberia. Hello, good morning, my brother. Oh, good morning, Nigeria. Oh, eh? Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, oh. How is the yam and the fufu this man, you know? Eh? Yes, my sister, my brother, oh, good morning to Africa, eh? The motherland with all the medicine, with all the secret, oh. But no juju for me. No juju for me. No juju for me, brother. Oh, no, the Lord is good, oh, the Lord is too good to me, eh? I can't do juju for me. I can't do juju for me. No juju for me. But I love you, eh? I love all of you, my brother and sister, oh. Anyway, Europe, they say Guyana, Grenada. Yes, Grenada. Big up yourself, Miss Grenada, and you know who you is online here. I know who you is too. Like you said, you know, the loggerhead board. When I say a fucking damn loggerhead, you know, you're Grenadan. They use the word loggerhead. So you have to know Grenadan people. Grenadan, big up yourself. And big up Guyana. St. Lucia, and also the man them would like to chat too much like a woman from St. Vincent when they cocky small. On a big up on herself too. Carrying news like a blasted woman, blah 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 blah. To get crutches from one woman to the other, and tell life on next woman, and tell life on next one to get crutches. On a can't use no natural giving strength because on cannot find it. You see what I mean? On cannot find the natural strength. And when a man don't find strength in him pants, him find strength in him goddamn mouth. And that's how they talk a lot about woman. Talk a lot. Go tell this woman, that want a pokey baby, that want a pokey smell, that want a this, that, and build up war between them. And that you still got there and suck the same pokey where you say stink and swell. You still got there and suck it. So here what happened? Get to know grip together and be real with reality and life and people. You hear me? I don't like all the St. Vincent man, them chat like woman, so boy. Boy, you chat like a woman, so. I don't understand this, eh? You chat like woman too bad, so boy. You carry go bring come to this one, eh? Hey this, hey that, hey she said so, you know. I don't understand this, you know. You carry go bring come too much. Someone no carry go bring come on the mouth and then the man downstairs don't be standing up strong to back it. You cannot be labber in your mouth and when if you climb a woman, the little piece of knuckle where you have don't turn up. The little piece of knuckle you have half dead, you have to take pill and force yourself to get headache and all them things from all them chemical, trying to get a little piece of man to work. Because your mouth working too goddamn much. When the mouth working too much downstairs does not work a lot because you're using the mouth to get where you could get. That is what is your, you know, that is what you use. Sugar daddy use couple like $1 and he dry out, he can't help him, he left him, then he have to find somewhere else. Go dry that. Go get somebody else. But anybody have sugar daddy right now? Lord, me sorry for on in fear beating, you see, child? On in fear beating. Hey, boy, you think me satisfied me have on work and me run gone. Me run like a your news. Come in the living room just to get rid of him. Me run like me your news to come live in the living room, yeah. Because me know say nope, me not go lie down under sugar daddy with him false teeth a fall down upon me and all the cuss me and all them nastiness with the germs one time woman crutches in my mouth when I want to use a suck mine. Me couldn't put up with the germs no more. Me say no, I live in the living room because me not go with my sugar daddy if you help me with a room or help me with nothing or help me with my money for my business go up so me can help myself. When that would be, that time me don't take in tongue and pal my whole entire body with germs. No sir. Me decide say no, listen to me, Berry. Me I stick where your spot where you live. I Berry was living in the living room. Me come and take Berry's spot. Yes, man, and it trust me, it smell like them out there, you know. Can't get rid of the smell because there used to have one big cat here near Jack two before. And it told them used to live out. They say, imagine the scent can't come out of the floor no matter how you map it. Maybe that's why they say thinking there. Because you have a scent in the like animal we can't come out of the floor. You hear me? Yes, but at them me call lay me head right in the funk. Because I have to get out. God is with me here. I have to get out from under Satan rule. Satan documentary. What in the wind? I keep coughing, but I can't better. Because either I go stay here and sweat, I get like a bit, take like a chill. You understand me? I can't go on a Satan documentary where Satan have me a put on and tell me, hello? Hello? Hey, Tina? Yes, son, what's up? Girl? What the fuck are you in? Girl? Tina? Yeah, yes, son, yes. Girl, you know I've been calling you. I've been calling you since last night. And I ain't get you. So you ain't see me call? You ain't see me call? No, I didn't see the call. You see, you're lying again. I call you 5, 6, what's it not time? All right? You hear me? Listen to me now. Like I go downstairs because I don't want my wife into this. Girl, I call him back in a second and you better answer me. You better answer me. You hear me? You better answer. Go downstairs. Get inside his van now. My wife upstairs. Hello? Yes, girl. I telling you, you know. I telling you, girl. I telling you. You see, if I didn't have my wife and my children, them, I kill you a long time, you know. I kill you. I just wipe off your shocking neck. I tell you, girl. Just like that, so, you know. You know, my father, I was in Trinidad in Point, you know. And my father, you know what he had done to me? The man have a house built on the land. And I go and build up my own little 2-room on the land, you know. And you know the man come and start to war me. Like he never did before. I take my machete and give him 2 good slap, you know. Slapping his ass, boy. Because guess what? I didn't do the man anything more than build upon the land. The man have more than enough land. And you know what happened? The next man see me, you know, girl. And the man arguing with me, girl. And I tell that man, listen, don't argue with me, I will kill you. And the man start arguing with me. You know what? I take my machete and chop up his Ross, you know. I chop up him Ross. And I spend much years in prison, girl. Don't play with me. Hear me? Because if I was in America already, I'd kill a long time, girl. Because you see, you is problems. You know why I know I call you? Girl, you know why I was calling for last night? I went on the job. And like I tell you, I give my wife $200 to go and buy some food yesterday. I tell she go and I put $200 on her account. She go and take a card and take all the $200 and take that. By way I have to buy. And girl, I out of the money, I have $1,000 to give to you. And I give my wife $200. And I calling you to just rest this money in your hand. And I get no Tina. What you there? You lock up with the fucking man there, with the big rat in the place. And the bed bugs them. There where you lie down with the fucking man now answer me like he's better than me. He's no better than me. You know, not because I married and I have my children and them. He ain't better than me because he ain't doing nothing for you. You're lying there with this man in his fucking 1 room and you don't want to listen to me. You could have done get apartment and everything you want. But no, I am the bad guy. I am the bad guy. Tell her to give me a kiss, you can't kiss me. You scorn to kiss me because I go down for my wife with my tongue. You don't want to kiss me. I can't there with you without no condom. You make us fly out condom long time like I have some major disease. You understand me? Which man gonna have you man so long and can't screw you without no condom? Tell me which man? Which man out here gonna have his woman? That time I never want him. Me not look no woman for nobody. Me never the man press me, I try to survive. And you see me once in a while, see me give me. You can't talk about me. You woman know me. Look at Robin's really at work. You understand me? So I'm going to sleep field because I know how good it is. You understand me? So anyway, may have available if you want some. You can get. So anyway, I don't have a lot. A special people I'm good to make. I may have other whitening. I use make a whitening cream. This is not the normal whitening. So good cream was before. And this even 10 times better. So anyway, I have the $1,000 to give to you. And I kept calling you. And I get no answer. You're lying there with this man and doing shit for you. What happened then now? You wake up this morning, he probably gone to work, and you probably don't even have a slice of bread and a cup of tea for drink. And I is the goddamn shocking man. Hello, girl, are you there? Sometimes I put on the phone. Sometimes I do so with the phone. Take the phone from my ears and put it down. And hear him screaming through the phone. All the tension to the phone. Me can't take it because I take my blood pressure and weigh me down to nothing. I mean, no, this is not my life. I'm not married to you. So I take the phone and put on the phone one side. After like a while tomorrow in the morning, if you pick up the phone again, you say, hello? Hello? Don't tell me you put on the phone and not listening to me. Mind tell me you put on the phone, you know. And you ain't listening. You don't want to hear when I'm going to come and drop the money. So you don't want to go through this long lecture and talking. But girl, let me tell you something. I had a job I was doing there. And the man balanced me some money supposed to pay me. And as God be my witness, I give my wife $200. And I had $1,000 to give to you. And I calling you all time, you don't answer. Now this man, you get up there, I don't know. You have breakfast? I asking you a question. Do you have anything to eat? No. Like I said, no. No, Junior. You don't have anything? No. How much money you does have this morning? How much? I said? I don't have none, you know. I want to go and buy some cream and some stock and something so I can sell and make some money. I not depend on this man. You see it? And I is the man that going to have to look out for you and give it to you. But if I said, come and go to the hotel with me, you don't want to do it. And if you do go, you have to pull out a condom. And if you do go, you don't want to spend no time, you ram me. Ha, 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 ha. And make me come quick and make it done. You want your money and that's it. Slam, bam, thank you, ma'am. You see? I tired of your advantage. Many women outside in the street here never meet me before and don't know me. And I can go in the hotel with them and have a better time more than me and you have. And me just meet them. Why? Because they're not going to use no condom. Well, me go and use one. Me I feel it further. I feel it my life. Me not going dead over $1,000 give me yet. Girl, I keep telling you, you know. I is a clean man. You understand? My wife is clean, my children. I say, I don't know who your wife sleep with. That's where your wife want to sleep with you. That's your business and your wife. Me not involved with who she sleep with and who you sleep with. I protect myself. So when you tell me about your wife cleaner than nothing to do with me, the way you treat me and the way you treat your wife, she must have somebody out there with you that long time. She with you from you're 13. Have you breed out, pick me out and with the other woman and you just keep... I mean, come on. Listen to me, girl. I ain't come on this phone to argue with this man, you know. That's not what I call you for. I've been calling you all night and I couldn't get you. And I saying to myself, if they wrap up with this blasted man and tomorrow you're going to wake up hungry. And if I take my phone and call and say, girl, can we go to the hotel? You don't want to go. You know why you don't want to go? Because you're going to tell me, look now, I just went 4 days ago. I just went 3 days ago. So 3 days ago you see me and you can't see me again? You can't see me again. But if I give you money 3 days ago, I must come back and give you money again. You see what I mean? Not fair at all. So, here what happened. I want to give you this $1,000, but I was calling you so much time and you wasn't answering. Now that I get you, and I ask you, do you have anything to eat? No. Do you have any money? No. How things with you? Well, I still ain't got no place to go and I see you stress because the man you're putting me out and thing and the bug them biting me and rat and so on. And I want to get this $1,000 this morning. But here what happened? I am not going to give you not even a fucking dime. I am not going to give you a dime. Because me I call you and you not answer. And if me tell you, come and go now, you're not going to go. So therefore, if you're hungry, you're going to have to dead for hungry. I go somewhere, go try shocking, sell your ass to somebody help you. Because them young man out there might be looking about nobody now want to keep you. Just what me tell you. Because we say, them looking for money for them shocking self. I's a good man giving you money. Man, no give man money, so again, they take money from them. You understand me? So because you didn't, and I'm talking to you now, and you doesn't sound appreciative. And if I tell you, come we go, you're still going to pull out condoms. So guess what? You're on your own. You deal with life how you can deal with it. You hear me, woman? That's it. Click, and you hang up and gone. And you sit down and say to yourself, say, Lord, this is what the world come into. And you telling me, you see me 3 days ago, me know you for over 7 years. All right? And you gonna say, come live with the man who said, no, me can't answer when you want, come one, because they me live. Me don't know if you live with your wife. And you gonna spite me because of that, after you don't see me. And you're supposed to, don't give me that money from the 3 days ago. Because the 3 days ago, when you go, all you give me was $100. And say, girl, I promise you I would give you $1,000 when you come out with me. But here what happened? The man never give me the money, so I don't have it to give you. What I can give to you today, and when am I going to tell her that, you know? Him dress up with perfume and put in 1 ear ring in him ears like him young, even though the hair won't grow, the head won't grow no hair. The striking head won't grow a strand of head, pant up ear, pant up height. And him did it. And I was going to, you know, but I can't. Because him say, so and so. That time 3 days ago, $100. Because I done the tell her 3 days ago, say, listen girl, I just get some money from the man and I have $1,000 I want to give you. Alright, I know you're going to tell me you can't see me today, but it's up to you. Because you could have go market and get $1,000 bleaching cream and some soap today and make up and you know you're going to profit that back over and make it bill in a two. But instead, you don't want to go. You want to come and see me girl or not because I want to give you this money here. I know you don't have nothing. I know you don't have nothing now. Your man will throw you out, you don't know where to go. The man is throwing you out and you don't have nowhere to go. So, are you going to come? I say, all right, sir. And when you get up, that was 3 days ago, and when you go, the man go inside there and he start to call you down. And you decide to say, no. Pull out the condom out of your bag first. Listen. And you know the man can reach home anytime from work and get back in the house. And see me in the house and you know what you may gone with. If I no cream, you go deliver real quick up the road and come back. And you may gone with, come in gone away and stay long. So him know that. Him know that. When you go there now, he go inside and him start to smile. And him like to see in your G-string, you know, and sit and dress up like you're some fucking whore. Because that him like. And you can't talk about God because I burn him. Because of that me use for the last, I pay God me use pan him up in there. In the hotel there. So anyway, he go now. And him say, so, you know, and put on the condom and until they go and put up him leg, them go and make him sexy, cock up him leg like him a woman more than you. And when him done, him take time go put on the condom and he start, and I hear a man with ball like you murder him. A man a ball like you murder him? Like you are the virgin? Oh God, girl. Oh God, girl. What you want? Tell me what you want. Tina, tell me what you want. Girl, you're so sweet. Oh God, I'm gonna reach. Oh God, yeah. Blood. I can't do it. I like a flame. Just swallow that back. Yeah. So they go like a fucking dog. And it done. When I hear the sound, you say, thank you, Lord, you deliver me, hallelujah. Because you know it's going to be over with, you know what I mean? Life not easy. When you have to go through them shit before in life, thank God I never go through that no more. In the mercy of God, hallelujah, thank you, Jesus, mighty God of Daniel. Father, I thank you every day. Father, I thank you every day. Father God, I thank you. Nobody know me pain. Child. And when that was the 3 days, you know, remember that was the 3 days. And when him done, him kind of going to bathroom and take off the condom and him drop in the toilet or whatever. And if I go in the shower and bathe and put up my perfume, because I go back home and my man live. Because I don't want to smell no kind of way like oud or nothing, or, you know. You know, because sometimes if I pack up soap in my bag and take some empty bleaching cream back and full them with water and sit and kind of cream no in there. I have no cream. And put them in a bag so I go deliver that time I water in the back of them. So the bag heavy and top the bag so the man don't see the bag. And tell him I got to go and deliver some cream. Then sugar daddy I go see if he get money. Come in, I have no cream. You understand me? Life never easy. So when people say they don't know, you don't give a damn what they want to talk about you, say. You don't give a damn what they want to talk about you, say. Because you're truthful. You're not coming like some idiot girl. Some people lie out their damn tongue and people know you're a liar. You stop lying to people. When you keep lying, people don't like you after a while because you just lie too much. And when people trying to sorry for you keep lying, people not sorry for you again because you're just a damn liar. Because people know lie from truth. People not stupid. So anyway, when he done now, he come back out of the bathroom And him thing start to get dressed. And so you make us put on your clothes. Girl, you put on your clothes so you done thing and come out and put on your clothes so quick. You know, yeah. Listen. You not say nothing to you about your money. You gone now. And I can't sell yourself, you know. You know this man over how much years. When I into him like that, I realize what abusive man in top in all made. You realize what kind of person the person is. One night in traffic killed me in one hotel and the manager have to come to him and tell him, don't come back there. Don't ever come back at the hotel there again. Marshall back if you stab me up in the hotel. Yeah, because the abuse become too much. I take the beer back last time and I say, yo, why I text it for me and I do that? Can I say, the man fucking take the back like, shy if you go stab me up in there. So anyway, when he done now, in take time, walk to the car. Remember, he's supposed to give me $1,000. He walk, got the car, and he go right on the car. When he got in the car now, he pull out a pack of cigarette, start to smoke. Yeah, girl, I did, man, I did. Just put up a lot of cigarette. I did. You see me? I ain't no fucking idiot, man, you know. I ain't no stupid man. But you see, you know, Jamaican fucking nasty ass Jamaican woman. You know, fucking Jamaicans are no good. No fucking good. Remember me telling you, no Jamaicans is a fucking worse. No Jamaican is a fucking worse, boy. I tell you, I don't know the fuck this woman want for my fucking life, yeah? I say, you sit on the next seat of the car. Motherfucker, you know, you're broke and you're hungry, right? Where you come from. And you don't really want to do this. And this is the motherfucker don't fuck you and I tell you. Fucking Jamaican woman, boy. Still driving his car. Where you want to go? You're going back home, right? I said, no, drop me to the suburb because I'm going to go one time and pick up my soap and my cream them and come back and make a hustle. Okay. Keep driving and keep driving. Where you going? I taking you home. You ain't going to go to no city today to buy no fucking cream today. I ain't giving you no money to buy no damn cream. I ain't giving you no money, my girl. I ain't giving you no money like that. You think I walk and pick up fucking money so? Eh? You think I walk and pick up fucking money so? Eh? I gonna just come and just take up my money and give you so? You come inside the slam bam thank him and I come quick. I can't come back and ask for seconds. I can't come and ask for seconds. Cause no, that is gonna be a big problem. If I come back and tell you to do it again, it's going to be a problem. Yeah? So I taking you home and drop you off. You go and see where your man come back from work and where he can give you to fucking eat. You hear me, girl? And he start to drive. When he drive, and he reach now to the stoplight, you gonna come off here? Okay. He go in your wallet and he take out $100. I say, hey, hold that. You can go buy a plate of food because when you come out this morning, you couldn't buy toothpaste and you couldn't buy food. Your mouth stink. If you fucking buy toothpaste and you couldn't buy food. So now, at least you could brush your teeth and you could get something to eat. Alright? You probably could get a bag of weed for $20. Also out of that. Alright? You have a nice day. You walk back to the house and you feel like you want to hold that mother's cunt and cut off him's cunt hole and put in his mouth. You feel like you want to take that motherfucker and castrate him. Castrate him now and put it in his mouth. But you know that is prison time, girl. You can't do that, girl. Let me talk like the Trinidad. You can't do that, girl, because that's how you talk. Can't do that, girl. Eh? And you're gone upstairs. You're gone upstairs now. And you sit down there. You buy a plate of food, you try to eat the food and all them shit there. But you feel turn off. When you look now, the shocking man him come through the door. 2 plates of food he come on with. He have the girl will move upstairs with the 2 pit in them. He just kindly take the food and carry out. They go knock punch the door. Pum, pum, pum. Figure she food. Here, girl, you have a plate of food and all them kind of shit there. When he done, it's all right. It's all... Yeah, it's okay. Whatever you want to say about me, say about me. It doesn't matter because people don't want to talk. A bad mind. People don't want to talk. I bring it on, I try to bring me down. But I never got black on. I'm going to stay and bring me down. Because people know better than that. You understand? Me not smell bad than my mouth, not smell bad than my kid, not stink. But you can't say anything you want to bring me down. Because that's not going to bring me down today. I'm sorry. But you're lucky to have the opportunity to even come on here. You're lucky to have the opportunity to even fucking come on here and say nothing. You have the nerve. I ban it up, when me talk about the truth, you born or no. I got a sugar daddy, I say that right now. You born or no. Because guess why? You can't get no use of me anymore. It's not going to be happening. Alright? It's not going to be happening. Yeah, right there. It's not going to be happening. Sure. Sure, because you can't fucking use me. Alright? Can't use me. So when a person can't use you, then I have nothing good to say about you. So I'm not watching no comment. I'm just going to keep talking. Because guess what? The best person win the end of the day. And me, I'm a winner. I'm a winner. So when you go now, girl and get the girl the food. And when you done get the girl the food now, he draw back in the room. He go bed and he sing out, then he talk about the game and talk about this and talk about that with the girl. Talk all kind of sitting about the girl. Yes, but my mouth smell, I must want rotten teeth in my mouth. Thank you. I love myself and it not bother me. I love myself and it not bother me, so come off here. Come off here. You can't get me up, you can't try all you want. When you talk about what stink, look under your mama where stink. And your mama will push you out where stink. I mean, no soup and water. I may have Listerine and whitening and toothpaste and everything and floss. Under your mama will stink. You know, dirty, drunk, old bad mind dog, you know. You know, no mind for company. Come here, cause somebody. And so, you know, that's why Obiana on the ras. When you send back normal Lord Spirit and them ras, so you get big and you join the blood clot cult. And start put curse on them motherfucker like that. And them lose them job, them lose them woman, them lose everything. They wonder why they lose them job. I curse people put by you. You want me to curse you? I can do that very well. You know, enough people try to curse me, they can't win me. You know, realize every time they try to bring me, I just keep going. No, for you shouldn't be and black. You should stay black. Dirty ras, so no. Think you can't stop me from being myself? Never that. Never that. Never fucking that. Right. Anyway, I saw the man go. And when the man done, any girl want to go take him, go and go take him. I don't have germs to take. Go and go take him because I don't want him. Me don't want nobody but Jesus Christ. Nobody. You hear me? Nobody but Jesus me don't want in my life. Nobody but Jesus. This a girl I never broke. My money sit down and look like newspaper. Plus Jay come back and give me some money a couple days ago. My money sit down and like newspaper. Yes. Newspaper. My money sit down and like newspaper. You understand newspaper? Good. Alright. Me no fool. So anyway, I saw the man go on and he go back to the house. And the man give the girl the food. And when he done give the girl the food, him talk all kind of bad shit about you to the same girl. When he done screw the girl, he still come back in the room because they are sleeping at night and start to pull on your pants. He still want your front. And he will still take your front and go back with the girl tomorrow and talk a little bad. I want you out of my place and I want you, and you still a ride the front. You still a sucky. You spread me out in a bed and I suck my front. You spread me up wide open and I suck my front. While you fucking have the girl live on the same floor. Now tell me nothing. Alright? And when all that gone, and the 100 and me eat out of, me say, alright then, God have to make a way for me, because I can't go back there, so I'm tired. I don't have no way out, and I don't know what I'm going to do. And I saw me take the 100 and me buy it, and me can't buy udon noodle and drink out of it. Udon noodle, I think $1.53, me get $1.53 udon noodle. And me take my time with that. You understand me? And when him call me, no one I say, call me for days now, and he can't get me, and he have $1,000 to give me. That are the same $1,000 me get from, supposed to get from 3 days ago. But because he want to use me, he might go call and tell me. Me I call a friend last night and me ask if you go and see me now. You're not going to want to go and see me because you just see me 3 days. People don't like when I talk them secret because I play with other woman and me talk. Other woman who watch me, I gonna know who you are from Trinidad. And they're gonna know what you're doing. So of course they're gonna say any kind of bad things about me. So try me to stop talk. Because I wonder if a woman and we try to fool, find out who you are. And everybody are gonna know you're from Trinidad and you do construction. Alright? Alright? So everybody have to take time and figure out who you is. Sooner or later, I'm going to catch up and say that man is the same thing the woman I talk about. I got to be the same man. Yeah. So I don't know why me talk. So anyway, yes, you have to get rid of some of them because them bad mind when I try to bring you down. I try to say you stink, you're dirty. Everybody them say about every artist. Everybody will get popular, them always have something to say about you. Anything when they can say, we bring it down. Even if they don't know you personally and never meet you. Them say you stink, or you dirty, or you stink, or you smell. And them not different freaking country. Never meet you before. But that's thematic. Because they don't want you to talk. They don't want the secret to come out, what they have hiding, how them deal with woman. And when the woman talk now, they must find out who this person is, because they never talk no more. And that's what they live by, running by a woman in a hotel. So of course they aren't to one or two more persons doing the same shit. And then the first them do it. You understand what I'm saying? So anyway, I saw it go on. And when him called me, I never decide to go back. I never decide to go back at all. So me say, that's it, and this and that, and me gone, get a cent because, me that call the figure, and this and they don't get a dime cent. And he hang up and gone. When he hang up and gone, in conscience, can't let him free because we want or we want. An hour later, he call back again. Hello? Yes, girl. I telling you, I telling you, I've been calling you last night, and I so shocking mad right now. I shocking mad right now, like I said, you ain't getting a damn cent. Because if I ask you to go with me now, you don't want to go. You know what I want to do? He went 3 days ago, and he supposed to get money, not get money, and he want to go back again before he give you that money. So that is a method for him to cost you in the car, give you 100 and not get the money, and then 3 days later and call the cost, because I want to go back again. And if you don't mind shopping, we split that $1,000 and probably give 400 out of it until I look now, me get the rest of the place, and then come back and figure back it. So that 1,000 is supposed to bun, get and gone. We can't do nothing with. We can't, $1,000 can't even buy nothing with. Can't do nothing. You can't go shop with $1,000. Shop $1,000 can't shop. $1,000 cannot shop because you can't buy good boot and good clothes. $1,000 cannot buy good boot and good clothes. You can't buy a boot with a couple pair of boot in the village with the honey done. You can't go buy. A lot of women messing with this problem because a lot of them want to broke style on Facebook and them go ahead and buy expensive clothes. That's why sometimes I stop and I interview some people, like some people may say so I'm going too much into themselves. Like the boy Pam Fulton with him. I know I have a lot to say about me. Because I burn him, because I want me to explode him. But I realized he wasn't a nice guy. He had a small ass dick in his pants. About him exercise at the cold without a shirt on. A small ass dick in his pants like a little child. And then he act like him better off than me. And right away, I see me just cut the blood clot tape from out of here. Because you're not popular, I am. And you say the natural product and me go help you and all these things. And you really want to act like you're better than me, want to come play me part line as me I try to interview you. Click, clock, and delete the video. Out, you're gone. And somebody with people. When you run to people and me go to the road just like this, and me see something I go on or something more interested or somebody do something more and bring them on and interview them. Because I try to do a thing to help them, And me have the crowd. And me say, I do like an interview. Be funny, people can laugh and it still help them. They want to go and better off on you. What you do? You click, you just continue going and erase the video. Don't bother finish the video with them when you interview them. Do not finish the video. Just walk off, cut the video, delete, and keep going to the next person who need your help. Don't freaking bring up people who are against you. Do not bring people to the lights that don't like you. Do not make people famous that don't like you. Do not stop and talk to people and take picture with them that don't like you. And a lot of them like to take picture of me. And I stop taking pictures. I don't even take picture no more. I stop now. Because a lot of them, they take a picture, they don't go want the picture to get like a crowd. Imagine, you claim that I'm ugly. And you claim that you're pretty. And you have to run into me. Or come to me to buy one like a $10 shea butter and one like a $10 soap. You don't want nothing. You just want to make excuse to come by me or to be by me to take a picture. And I want to come now. Can I get a picture? So I can go. When me look the picture up on Instagram. Done the on Instagram long time set up. Follow me with my picture. I just black on a blood clot. Because when you ask for a regular picture, you show to your daughter and your son, where you say watching at the house. Me never give you a post on Instagram or Facebook. You ask for a picture for your kids, them say, no, my daughter, my son, watch all the time, just one running to me today. And you go take the picture and put on Instagram and Facebook and start a bad talk. Let me see her today. She not look good. She smell bad. She dirty. She a mad smarty out the door. And if you move on a blood clot and go, if you move on a blood clot and go, and if you see people on low blood clot people, want to have no good intention for them. Because as you see, people black as Uno is a worse and hateful person is black people. Uno talk about white people hate Uno hate yourself more than even white man that was used to slave and has gone to slave. Uno hate yourself more than that. And there's a reason why people bleaching cream. What we use bleach and all them say, no, hate yourself. And sometimes we don't want to be like Uno. We don't want to be like Uno because the mind to blood clot bad. We want to step out and be different. Uno burn up about bleaching cream and rubbing. Some of them need like a blood clot rubbings. Because everybody black fit. And everybody black fit. And own black people don't even like on yourself. And don't like on a sister and brother. We are trying to move up and rise in social media, rise anywhere in the world. Only want to put them on their foot bottom and grind them down. The only time they start to praise somebody is when they grind them that much and they couldn't stop them from make it and then don't make it to the top. After they grind them so much and they couldn't control them and they make it to the top, that's the time when they like them and friend them. I like her now and I this and that because I couldn't. But I see them people them have crushed them down before and into the foot. But when I see someone couldn't win, then I change them out and start talk about, you know, yeah man, the person alright, because the person make money now, then they're Hollywood now and they might make big record deal now and they're making money and them glamour and they look good. That's the time when a blood clot like them. Because you don't have no power over them at that time. But when you feel like you're in social media, you're just a climb and you're local and you reach away in a big house and a big car and a bling bling yet, then try to say like you're nobody. Well, these people are the consider is nobody are the same people who rise up to be somebody great. These are the same people who rise up from small because you have to start from somewhere. You come on social media, might look how you look out, whether you might not have a shirt or a pants or a boot to put on your eyes. Come and rise out of nothing. I rise out of nothing. I'm in a reach nowhere yet. But I'll be damned. If me take so none of uno, I got things on no words can define me. It can't define me, I'm Mama Ras. It can't define me because I know who me is. I know who me stand for. I know the love that God give me in my heart for people. But I'm not going to sit here and make nobody add me up to their line on Facebook and add me and say me a follow uno. And uno don't even like me. Me I remove on a Ras. Go and make on our own crowd. Because when I come on here and go on the train and all about to make my crowd on beat me down. She this and she stink and she dirty and she ugly and that kind of thing. But when me have the crowd on a run for come sit down and add on a blood clot self pan it and try to sell jewelry, sell wig and try to sell stuff. So I say the same thing when me I sell. Because when you can't go look no crowd, when you don't have a personality to hold a crowd. Nobody likes you because I don't have the personality to hold the crowd. But when me come on without a makeup or come on the way me is, me ugly and me this and me that. But me know for hold a crowd. Me know how to make a crowd. So me can sit down in my house each day me go buy me sit down and come back and me get them ship out and pack every day. Me not fi out there with sugar daddy and lay down underneath him and them rules and regulation. Me use them, me have and make it work for me so I can put money in my pocket right now. Me have money sit down for me no hungry, me no want for no. You me hungry, yes? But on the money me not have why me hungry, me no go buy nothing yet. John go just man go pick up something, make some breakfast and sit and me never go. Come end up and clean up in here first, come me just come out the shower. You understand me? Remember, all them people used to live in here. We can't live in no more freedom. I go say me stink and me dirty and me think and most of the worst thing about me people. Because they cannot live here no more for freedom. What them is right now, them feeling it real up their ass. Because they used to have women running in and out this place, plucking on the place, loud music, I can't even hear nothing in the house. Every day rap music, boom, boom, woman are sexy, so this I want to run out. So when they're not living here, they're going to come on here and say, me stink, me smell bad, you smell like shit, must say anything to the people them. Because they're no longer living here because I get them out. I use my spiritual touch and everything else and run them out. So they can't live no more than enough to pay them rent and be on time and this and that. Them going to feel it. Of course they're going to come in here and talk anything they want to try to bring me down. Remember, these are the same people that me not get no commercial break no more. You understand? That's trying to bring me down. But that never fazed me. I'm never hungry because me not get it. Me still continue going because God is with me. And the Lord is my shepherd and I surely do not want. You understand me, Lord, my shepherd, I shall not want. You don't walk to the valley, I shall have death and I shall fear no evil. You hear me tell you? So the point is like that now with him. And I saw with the man, I saw it go on and off with the man. And I said to myself, I don't want to go back to the place. I do not want to go there. I don't like going to that place. I don't like doing these things. And it's not in my power. That's how I want to live. And God knows in my heart, this is not what I want for my life. So anyway, the man called back again. Listen, I coming to pick you up. We're going to hang out. He asked me if I want to go. You know, ask what me feel. You know, remember what him just cost me like that when he dropped me off and give me the $100. And he still not give me the money, but he want to come back again to go again. Come, I want to go and I have the $1,000 to give, you know, and so on. You know? When me go now and go outside, you know, me don't want to go. Me go in the vehicle and me start to cry. What you doing? I cry, you're crying? Why you crying? Ain't nobody doing it to cry. You're crying because you don't want to shock and go. It's all about you. It's all about you and what you want, and you're shocking crying because you don't want to go. I could cry too because I had to give my money. I could cry too. You understand? You're crying because you don't want to go. That's your problem. In driving and go. I can't believe so the man really gone. Man, pull up right at the hotel place. Walk back inside. Remember I was here 3 days ago. But I know God is with me. And I've been praying to God. I've been praying to God. And I said, you know what? I prayed to God and said, Father, I can't deal with this. And I'm go inside, the Lord is always with me upon my mind. And as I go inside and did this, I start to talk to God. I start to pray to God right in front of him. And I bend down by the hotel bed and I pray to God. I said, Father, deliver me from this. Why me, Jesus? Why me, Lord? And the man continue. When the man go up on top of me, I lie down on my back, and the man top of me, I ride. I look up on the ceiling, and I say, Jesus, deliver me. I say, Jesus, deliver me, Lord. And I cry to God. The man fucking jump up and say, girl, look, my who dead because you pray to God. God, you bringing in here? Hey, mother scunt, one up across my face. One striking box me ton. The man give me come here pray. You hear me, child? Nobody not going to stop me from talk. One lick, box cross me, turn my face because me they pray and jump up. Put on him clothes. Look at this. Take off the condom, that's ready. Can't dead. Look at this. You're praying to God. You're coming here praying. You have all this time to pray. You wait until I tap on you. You're on your back lie down there. You're praying before you come and suck my dick and do something to make me feel good. Squeeze my breast then. Instead, you want to pray. You want to pray to God. Eh? It's not God giving you money. He's the one going to give you the money. When he walk up across my face, me just get up and me did that cry, so I put on my clothes. And he just comes and take out $1,000 out of your wallet. And do someone one time and do it, eh? One time I 500, this time 1,000. Take out the 1,000, ship it out so. And say, see there, take it. That's what you want. Take it. I so glad, girl, for the blocks. I so glad for that goddamn box for that $1,000 there. I couldn't remember to God. I said, God, this is what you do for me today. Let me take the box instead of me take hold. Because I'd rather take the box. Because I know with this $1,000 I can buy some cream and that will stop me for a while to try to help me. Say, I'm not going to help me favor, but God will provide some way. You know what I mean? Make you show me $1,000, make you hide down my clothes quick before you go ring up me and take it back. You understand? And it gone out. So I take time and walk, gone out, so I take a taxi and go home. Now I feel good, I can go to Manhattan and pick up me sitting them and go 7 minutes sitting them on the road. Him sitting outside. Look, I didn't want to leave you without no ride, but what I can do, I can drop you off. You know? I can drop you off. Because I ain't no pushover, man. I keep telling a girl, if I was in this country, I'd take off your shocking neck all right now. I just cut your neck off so and dump your fucking some way. You know? You play with shocking people, man. Don't play with shocking people. He's a big man. You know? You can't this, you can't that. You know what I mean? You're my woman. You understand me? I had to go home first before I go straight to Manhattan. I had to go home to settle my mind, to catch me that my head that hurt me. Just to catch myself, to catch my breath. Because you feel like a walking dead. You don't know if you're breathing. You don't know if you're breathing anymore in your body. Because the stress come down by your face and your body start to take you. Because you know if you live with the next man, and this man, if you know him for so long, you know him. But the reason why him come back around, because you dump him how much time before. Enough time you dump him and pick him up because things harder. You know, no way out. So that's the reason why you end up doing that shit. You know what I mean? But you have to realize sometimes the person will not stop. They will hold back whatever you have to get just for use you and to bring you down to nothing. So after me go now, me take the money now, me say, all right, me take a little smoke, me feel good. Me kind of breathe it off and try catch my breath. Me I go and pick up some cream, this and that, come back up. A lot of people already call me for cream. Me never have the cream for them. Me tell them, so me I wait to get the cream. So all these list of people can get cream now, you know. So me go and get the cream and come back with some jewelry and eat Utica, man. You know? And thing. By the time me eat Utica and go, the motherfucker drive past and see me when I go to work. And see me out there earning the man and put out my things them. All them do just pick up the phone and dial 911. Yes, there's a lady in Utica and making some trouble and she's selling without no license. Y'all gotta come. When I look police around me. Because I don't want me sell the things then because from me collect the money from him, I don't want to talk to him. And him call me, I don't want answer. That means I have no intention to go out the next 3 days. So that means you have to get her off the street so she can't sell what she buy with the money. If I call police pan her, she can't sell nothing out there. She's still gonna have to call me if she have stock. Because she stay in her house to sell the cream. If you sell the cream, she will go cream out when the people call her to go deliver, but she can't go road go set up where she make more money and can make like $1,000 in that one day. Because she know how to make money. She know to use $1,000 and to quick back and make $1,000 back the next day. So you want now? I go and call the police, them and she. And when I call him and she, like I said, I call him, I'm not telling a lie, I call him to get a ride to go pick up 2 tables because I broke me and my money. But I don't call her look nobody because him call and say hi. You know, once in a blue, and I say I'm not evil. But I don't look nobody if it beg them the money, I beg them nothing at all from them. When it come to money, I don't do that. Make sure I have my own money. And that's so the cops then come and take me off of the road. I have my rent for pay, because I have a little apartment with my son, because I get my sistership and I get my son. I have my rent for pay, if you told me I have 2 bedrooms down there, I have my rent and I have sitting for pay, my cable for pay and I'll buy food and them sitting there. Take care of me and my son. I will pack up everything I have now and go back and bring them back home. That's just before I left the man's house, yes. That's before I left my house, then I got the man's house to live. Because I lose my place. I lose my place because I couldn't afford for pay and all them sitting there. What if I sit nothing? So I end up at the man's place. So, as so now, the police then come and take me off of the road. Write me a ticket. Can't go back out the road till 3 months later. Then give you 3 months for city court. Now, if you have to wait 3 months for city court, if you go Brooklyn Bridge, if you go pay the ticket, it's a problem. Because for the whole 3 months, you can't work. If you get to see the judge earlier and you pay the ticket, you can't always go back out on the road and get a next ticket and pay because you can't get a license unless you're a veteran. Because I try to get a license, I realize I'm not a veteran, you can't get a license. I'm a veteran I work with sometime and pay my little money, but it's not all the time they available because some of them have head problem. So sometimes we come to them, come tomorrow, come 2 days, come again first of the week. You're stuck by yourself, you know, nobody will help you out. Can I pay them, you know, can I hustle, I pay them. First piece of drill, I sell $160, I give them that order for the day. Next one take 40, I give him 40 for the day. Sometimes next one I pay a charge 60, I give him 60. Him not come the next one for 40, come I use that one, I try one, 20 I use. But when them wasn't there, that's a problem, because all the while then come. Ah, God, that's a big gas. Sorry about that. You can catch that smells, thank you. Yeah, so, I saw that go. So I end up now if you deliver the cream them from place to place, so I can deliver hand to mouth for eat. I can't go to road go make no big money. Some of them people from Utica Avenue just out jewelry from me. I want woman, you're wicked. You say you go wedding. I remember the day me pack up and I come on woman stop me so she go on wedding and she want the necklace and sitting for match. And when me dig through the whole of my bag fit take out the silver filling and gold filling mixed together for give you it. You take it from me and you say to me, say, I have no money now but me come and pay next 2 days and I'll know you not pay me. Over 2 years now, I know you do not pay me, woman. You're wicked, you're going to have crosses by your ass. Because you know when me go through forget them sitting there. You don't know when me go through forget it. You don't know. And you take it and never pay me for it. You understand me? So I saw that went with that. It wasn't easy. When me do now and get the money, get the ticket now. Me for go Brooklyn Bridge, wait for go court and pay $50 the court. Next time I go one time and charge me $100 like every time I make the price go up more because I go back on the road again. But you have no choice. It's still worth it. At least you can out there and sell. But if you go away have a ticket and then catch you again, and you already have a ticket, you're bound to go to jail downtown. So if you don't want to go to jail downtown, you have to wait until you clear the ticket before you can get a next ticket. Otherwise, you don't have a ticket, you go back out there, you're going to jail. So you're going to have to wait till you clear that ticket. So every time you get a ticket, you can go pay the ticket, you don't have to go to jail. Because I saw the street run out there. I saw it run. I never know me find it from other people and I saw it run. That's how I learn the method. Because I have to live. So I go on with that for a while now and sugar daddy we call and say, how you doing? You alright? I don't see you on Utica selling, man. What happened? I don't see you out there sell. But police come and take you off. I say, yeah. In well I know that long time, I can't send them. Oh boy, so how you going to manage now? Eh? Boy, I don't know how you're going to manage now, because the last time I come, and what happened between me and you there wasn't good. You understand me? And I don't know. I might lose my temper and have to kill her one day. So right now, I don't know. I don't see what they're selling her, nothing. That's why I call you. Just say you're doing. No, you call to find out because you know you stop me from sell. You call because you want to go back at the hotel. That's why you stop me from sell out there. So you can't get to go back in there, go lie down. That is your idea. After me I pray to God so much, you still never turn you off enough that you still want to go back. Anyway, I go along so and try to hold out till 1 month gone, 2 months gone, 3 months gone. Come here, say me little cream him ear and eat and try to stay away. Because I don't want no problem. You know what I mean? Stay away. You know no? Call. Girl, what's going on? You alright? Boy, I just thinking about you. I ain't sleep for the last couple nights. I ain't get no sleep at all. When I see how I good to you, and not even a phone call I don't get from you. You know how long I ain't seen you now? Over 3 months I ain't seen you, girl. You know? Over 3 months I ain't seen you. And all I did was good to you. You know? I was a good man to you. But you paid me out to be a bad person. You understand? Listen. I have something for you. And I want to come and pick it up. And I know you're going to tell me you don't want to go, you don't want to see me. It's not about that. We just want to sit down and talk and reason with you. I hear you talking about you're doing your music and thing and you're going to need a tape or something you could play music in. I see a nice music set, girl. I said before, me they want a music set where I can walk with. You know the one that kind of box that look like suitcase, you can walk with it. And it have its own wheel on it. I see you wanted one of those. I see one nice set and I buy it for you. Alright? I buy it for you because I know you like music. And I said this is real nice. And plus I had something for you. Girl, just come outside and pick it up now. Come and talk to me now. I ain't no bad person. And you say you want to go and rent a place. I gonna make it my point of duty and help you right away to get that place. So go ahead now and you can go ahead and get preparation for that. I say, all right, no problem. No problem, Papa. All right, so go ahead now and go outside. Or go outside now, get inside the van. Hear him now, no? We're going to go hang out. You know that, right? I say, hang out. I say, man, I don't want to go back in that place, man. I don't like going in them place. I keep telling you already, I don't like that kind of thing, man. Come on. You know the same thing over and over again. You know what I mean? Girl, you know he's a good man to you. And this and that. And look, the last time I gave $1,000 just so. And I can give you more until I'm going to help you rent this place. And all of that. What's your problem? What's your shocking problem, man? Girl, I tell you, I go through some rough fucking time. You hear me tell you? Anyway, him drive all the way. Him have a big box in the back of him van. Plastic up, tape up in the back of him van. And him drive got the place. Him want ears ring in him ears. Dress up every time in a new clothes and sitting bossy like a rich man. Can't make enough money having one company. You know, work for nobody, he having one company. So if some jobs they make 100,000, 200,000, 50,000, you know, and all the money, that kind of money make 75,000. You know, a big jobs them get. And look, and he have people who work for him and guys. So him just tell him go do job somewhere else and whatever. Him control everything. Him do the estimate and everything. Him do everything himself. Right? So I'm run him thing. So he get big money. When you look in a car, what him do? When he come, he have $5,000 sometime in a vehicle. And he should pay $100 bill. That's what he do with it. See, I could have just give you all of this now, but because you don't shocking listen to me. You think ain't nothing for me to get scared this, you know? But you don't listen to me. You understand me? And then go on. And drive over there. You know, girl, I like I tell you, I long to see her and see you so long and all this shit. And do the same thing again. I try to get me to do the same thing. I say, no, I'm not in that. That's fucking like a demons. When him done fuck now, you know, I can't him in a happy kind of get where he want. Him driving on the vehicle. When he get off on the vehicle now, I say, listen, man, this is not the kind of lifestyle I want to live. I hide nothing from people. I hide nothing from people. My life is an open book. I not hide nothing from nobody. So, him go now and him drive with me the vehicle when I come. Him say, listen, I'm not here to give you no money. I'm here to give you the music. So what? We need money right now on the music. The man go in a vehicle and open the back of the van and push it all the way up. And open the box and take out the little small fucking radio. I do not like what I want. See it in the corner they put on. I don't like me, I tell me still have it there. Whenever I work good now. And when the man done, the man see some people are past. And show me people know me a lot. And I was now just started to get popular. People started to know me. You know? I said, come on, man. On the road, the man started to make up nice. Your mother's cunt and started to cuss me when the people pass in. And say, look she, popular, look she. She don't want nobody, she fucking see her. Look she in the van there, look people, no look, see her there. And warm up the back van, back of the van. And say, taking out the chopper and say, look, she don't want nobody, she, I should draw this on top of the van. And the kind of shit the man humiliating me, telling people to look for me and me I try hide, because nobody know the kind of dirty life. What me have to go through and I try to rise on social media. But me know so me have to use my strength and rise. This is my money. This is my way of getting out. You understand? Become famous. You will get out all of it. And God will provide for you. God give you strength. I mean, nobody take your strength. No, nobody take on the strength from you. I don't give a fuck who comes. Do not make nobody take on the strength from you. I don't know crutches and shoving around. Because this man here is still in Brooklyn. I'm sure somebody else is going through it now. Them get like a money and like $100 in the sweet. Them answer, but you don't know this is how I come after. When you first meet him, not going to cuss you like that. He want to make you feel like everything's sweet. But when he can't start to control your life, him say him have to be a certain way. Call you how much time, one phone after the other. Go up on Facebook and follow up my video them, my funny video, my cuss me when my video them. That when me I do on Facebook, I make video and this and that and him that and him son and just now his son when become famous. Bad mind. I crutch me, man. Me I sitting for me I crutch, but I go down now. The medicine. Yeah. So when that go on, I end up with a radio, I end up with $50 in my pocket a day. The radio and $50 fucking dollar. Abuse is abuse. Remember me telling that? You understand me? And when he done now, I go back at the house. I say, well, dead or dead and dead and dead. Me can't. Me not go get no help from this. How many times me cannot, me just have to just give it up. When he can't get nothing out of me, he call me. Again, I say, listen, I want to come. And I want to come today and give you some money towards that place. But, I want a witness. If you can't get nobody for witness money, me nah give you it. All the excitement you want bring down for me. Me have to go downstairs to one girl and me say sell Perital pill too. Perital pill too. And make the girl come be the witness. When the girl come and be the witness, him take out $1,200. I don't know why I need to put the girl in the vehicle for. Put the girl in the back line vehicle, one girl, I don't even know the girl like that. The girl is just buy Perital pill from me and like a Robbins. And put the girl back in the vehicle and take out $1,200 from about $5,000 I have and take out like $1,200 and give me. And just should be so Wallace. And then give you one time, it take out like 400 give you, 400 more, Wallace. So the girl can't see it. I said, see it, me I always treat her good, but you know, I say me not treat her good. Alright, and we take out. The girl have to come up and cut her in back seat when we know the man. 2 months later, the man called me and cussed me because he couldn't get me to be with him. After I handed $1,200, I have one young boy, I made a screw. Come to get some comfort. So I have one young boy that screw, they like me a flap, so I go get the boy yard. I hang out and cook and yam for the whole day. It's a Jamaican, nice Jamaican boy. So, I then me go and leave Sugar Daddy alone and left the one upstairs with the woman and them there all a while. So I don't have the young boy me there where sweeten me. And I encourage me to the music and I say, all right, I'm going to go famous. I'm going to get famous. I can't take this beat down anymore. I'm going to have to find my way out. So I go down at the young boy, I know, and him start to pipe me, but then he want money too, you know? And me that help more to like $100 a year, $160 for him rent and sitting. And I say, no, this not right because the other woman here too. So anyway, I take it, me get screw. You understand? I really love the boy because that's the only from studio night time I don't them used to go. When that the one upstairs, he must have done grind the girl and says, I now come in my car 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock a man. Where you make sure I come back in my room? Because you see what time it is, I ain't a reach home yet. You understand me? So when them attack, me been too well with this man. Ups and down, back and forth. And I was like, this is enough. This is my chance. When I rise on social media, I can make a little money, take care of myself. and buy me like a sit and sell, and that's what I'm doing. Me no hungry over here, me no homeless, me have water, me have soap, me have Listerine, me have floss, me have everything to keep myself clean. If somebody wants me stink because they want bad talk me. You understand me? Bad talk me, because I have nothing for me if it stink. I have AIDS, I have no disease, me clean. So you know when I want to talk about me, they can't go and talk about me, no care. Because everybody compare them stink and them dirty as can to them, everybody. You understand me? So it no bother me. Because I don't out there lay down with man lay down on my front. Too much years no man no touch my front. Because I stop sugar that long before I come over here so. Long before I come over here so. I never see the one in my house me stop seeing to long before I come over here so. So about 2 years now nothing upon my front. No man no grind me over 2 years now, no man no grind me. So nothing can upon me for stink. Because I don't want nobody grind me, I want money in here save, I'm not hungry. I'm not stupid. You understand? Nobody gonna ride by my front and use me. All them things is done. Them days are over. So nobody now go have nothing good for say, boy. Because if you're riding, I go and answer you. And they go to tell the woman, say, guess what? She can't make because she want me. Nobody know why you. Me now look nobody. Me couldn't brand for reach where me they know. And God been so good to me, I can get a good night's sleep. Without to think about sugar daddy put me front and how you go cost me to give me a couple dollars come in and have it. Or the man go show me time one room. I don't have to go through that no more. Because there is a living God. When you pray, God answer you. And that's how I know that there is a God living. I'm not going to stop say that. I'm not going to stop believing God. I'm not going to stop our faith. I'm not going to go skin out my crutches to no man. No man. Whether I'm good now or I could have somebody now because I'm alright, that means I'm going to go look man. Because I'm not alright enough yet. I have to work more on my music and continue to do what I want to do with my life in a positive way. I'm not coming here so if I can't get strong and figure lay down take man. That is not in my book. Because when you take them a man and then I no respect for you and you use up your body for nothing at all and you're trying to rise to success in social media, it wouldn't be a good idea to walk and take man. Because you walk and take man, you make yourself look like a dog. Especially if you don't have to take man, then you don't take them. If you not depend on a man to keep a shelter over your house for the night or food for going in your gut, don't take him. Because if you're going to take a man just to take him because of feelings, and you know not going feel in your life, then obviously you're not an ambition. That's how I see it. You understand me? So people come here and say all kind of things about me. But I don't expect them to say anything good about me. Me have family that don't like me. Me have brothers who rape me. Me have cousins who rape me. I have cousins and family that I have that don't speak to me. My one cousin when me stop and down, we don't even speak to me. And I haven't done anything. More than talk the thing them. I never talk about them. I also have cousins, like I said to you, people don't condemn me already. So if people don't condemn me already, what the fuck me I keep secret for? Me have cousins to fuck the shit out of me and breed me. Right in a Spanish town. And when them was talking about my brother, them rape me and run me, I couldn't go to the party. And as God be my witness, I am not lying. I swear on my life and my one child wife. When I was in Spanish town, my own first cousin did have fuck me. Want a knife pint and throw me down. Me all their party and then come for me if you can't rape me. My girl cousin, they are party. And then come up there and say to me, say, look, your son is crying. Go and go look about your goddamn son. And when my son go sleep, my son never wake. At the time my grandaunt never dead yet. My grandaunt was on 90 years old. She never dead yet. But at the barrel, she's a Christian woman. Because she walked to the prison them. And she go to the prison and get them clothes and anything she can get to them. She was a good woman. When she dead, she left a lot of property give to the church and sit in a Spanish town. And I don't talk about this a lot. Because it's going to cause a lot of problem. But why should I keep secret when people bringing me down? When you have your own family pan, you tell people like a nasty thing about you and to cuss you. And them know say them own family bring you down like this. Why them do that? Imagine me left in raping out a country for a stranger rape me. My one brother, two of them rape me. And after all that, me go through as a young girl before me 10-year-old. And me go through all that and me done breed at 16 from a strange man. My baby father. And me don't have a young people on my chest and me come Spanish Town and me was become rape. I was raped by my own first cousin. And I don't talk about this lot because I know it's gonna cause a lot of controversy from England to Jamaica right now. As I speak, it's going to be big. But as a time that me feeling so much pain, and I could die anytime tomorrow morning, because sometimes my heart feel like it go give up on me. Sometimes my heart come like it go give up on me. So what do you say? I think I'm going to live next week. I don't think I'm going to make it elevated. I look like I'm going to be able to make it one next week. Because sometimes my heart feel like it want to give up on me. I'm not going to make no one to kill me without talking. Before me dead, I'm going to have to fucking talk. Because I can't dead, sometimes I feel like my heart is so collapse. When I say for somebody applies me, I feel my heart naturally gauge out, in and out. When mommy get up, I couldn't even see out of me too yard. Like me go blind, I couldn't see out seals in a way near. I almost have been over for crawl, I couldn't see. My heart feel like I've been poisoned. And I say I used to put my food in there since a white woman come and I've been poisoned so much when she come on and say, die bitch, die. I eat the food, the whole of my belly swell up. When I come on Facebook and I say, goody, y'all get big man. And I sing the song, Yes, Jesus love me. I poison. And my belly swell up. From the day before till the next day. Poison on my food. My skin itch me and bite me like me lay on a courage. My whole entire skin from the poison. And if my belly swell up like something on my belly, now I go down me one on my belly, no matter what I do. Big. I pain me on my side, on my ribs, on my heart, I pain me. And I say, any of me dead in this house, somebody going to go into prison. You understand me? Because I not eat nothing like a round and so. If you not got people here, go near man, say anything happen to me, alright, it happen to me. One thing I can tell you in life, I love life and I love people. And I like to speak the truth. I do not like to lie. My grandaunt used to put barrels behind the two big door for across the living room. The only room I could have walked through for going to me and my cousin room is to my other boy cousin room. We one bar there, they do want to push it when we walk this and go party at night time and walk this to come back in. And he come, as God be my witness, he come right upstairs and said to me and pull him shirt and when me look, he have a cut off machete in his waist. Was sharp. And he said to me, come go look boy, your son a bad boy, wake up at their party. And my girl cousin now come in and say, stay because she be coming right back. You can't stay because she'll come right back. Make sure you go look at the little boy and see when you want, because my ball and I can't get me shut up. When I go inside, we go to the room, he just throw me down on the bed and rape me. My son didn't there sleep, nothing happen. And I end up a breed with a big belly, end up a breed. With my one child on my chest, on my shoulder ball, and my family pitting on my gut. 16-year-old, young baby on my chest, and I breed from my one blood clot family. And when my father used to send me money, me there Spanish Town, as God be my witness, me not lying, but now if you talk to me again, because I don't try to marry this one as well. If you not go condemn me like that on the line, and make people call me and tell all kind of shit about me and talk to me, man, that's when me talk the truth. The way I was in Spanish Town, me running from my sister, baby father was trying to rape me. I was already raped by two of my brothers younger, and my sister bring me to a district when I run when I was raped by a stranger and strangled nearly killed me. So that was my third time being raped. How me go to Spanish Town, this is the fourth time me been raped. 4 times. And my father send me money, me used to use the money and buy food. So we can't eat. My girl cousin, you come my grandma and feed me and a girl cousin. But you never feed me and my other cousin and them. Some used to take the money and buy food to buy a friend because I don't know where to live and I live with my son. And when I realized that the boy I breed me, I couldn't take the pain, it was too much for me. I feel my girl cousin was very close. So I feel like I have to tell somebody what is taking place because I couldn't bear the burden alone. And I call you. And I say, cuz, this is what your brother do to me. And don't tell him nothing. I tell you because I just really need the help. But don't say nothing back to him. I went though. You go and tell him. And while me the right of the pipe I beat my son, the man take a raw stone and land in my head. But I realize that the ground me up and me get up a pay blood come out of my head. Bust up me with that big fucking rat nearly kill me. Can me go tell you? And you go tell him I know the man was dangerous. And I when me go Spanish Town Hospital and me I come back from the Spanish Town Hospital the night. Me go right over the phone booth. When I come to Spanish Town, it's supermarket, a Lee supermarket. Right across is have some phone booth them time there. Some booth with phone there, over there so. And then me go call and make a call to the man and then say my papa. And when the man answered to me for the first time, the man advised me, say, look, he say, yeah, my father, help me. Me said, no, today is going to be the last night my son is going to be alive. Because I'm now going to kill my own child and kill myself. I said, it's over with. I'm going to kill my son and kill myself. It's done with. I cannot take it no more. My father said to me, say, please don't do that. He begged me. He said, what I will do for you. Give me 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm trying to pull it to Jamaica fast as I can. I think it was 3 weeks later I received a paper to go to the embassy. I couldn't take it no more, so I leave and go back to the country with my son. Because I couldn't stay there. Because after my father sent me next money to buy food, I couldn't buy any food. The boy don't have me grow on the corner, go fuck one next boy around the corner and hold him down on my front and tell him, say, I breed me. I'm a bad man. He grow go bad up the boy. He breed me because you have to take care of it. He breed me. And me take the money my father sent, come give me. And go to a man and call him Dr. Simit. I said, sir, I want to have an abortion. The man said, go up on the bed. And when the man put the machine on me and started to dig up my belly, no anesthesia. I never have abortion raw. Without no anesthesia, nothing at all. And the man have like a vacuum cleaner thing up in me and dig me out. And the blood clot, my father one clear back, one clear sit nice. So you can't see when I drop down in the night. Pain me feel like me never feel in my life. Like my life has suck out of me. And in doing job till him done, my body must have couldn't take the pain. And put me a pad for me. I'm glad me get rid of my cousin Pitney out of my gut. And me walk outside as God be my witness, Father God. Me fall right down upon my face, me faint. Me don't know where me there. And when me wake up back inside the doctor office, man, they must pull me back in there. Must call him or knock or pull me in there something. Me realize me don't want better revive back from out of there. You hear me tell you? And I went through some pain for my belly heal. You hear me tell you? And I grabbed my son and I said, country, here I come. And I left. I went back to the country. And my sister was no longer living with her husband because of work and everything. And she lived further up on Barbrook, on the next side of Barbrook, further up. People of Barbrook know me at about. And there was a little old woman and an old man who lived way up top. There was one little old house next to the sister where my sister living in. And I stayed to my sister at first and I go check my father, send money, come give me. I rent a little old house from the people. Pan 3, 2, little 4, little foot stick he catch up on. And it's so old till he have hole with the wood them at the bottom. And then me and my son one little bed. And then me and my son there. And my baby father come check me and carry some goat meat and milk for my son and them something. Because I was living in the area. And he get to see his son for the first time. And he was happy. Because him say my sister say, I never him breed me. So he did hate me too. And not never got so. And then me there. One night rain a fall was so rough when the rain a fall. And a big fatty leg, and the biggest fatty leg me ever see it, I crawl up to come bite my son. And when me see the thing, me flash so hard, boom, the fatty leg going on the wall. Carrying the fatty leg come up to the wall, in the whole house. And me say, pay the rent, pay the rent, pay the rent. And one time, my sister put them, they get mad with me. Me know them text upon me for them text stone and stone me like whole house. One of them fling stone and lick my son, they broke my son foot. One of my sister's son, me lick a baby foot, swell up big. I couldn't take it no more. Me decide to carry him up and grandmother with the father there and then say, all right, then we take him for a while. And then take him. And then did I raise him. That's why my son have such good education today. They make sure him go to school. And the boy come from good family. Family, ambitious people. See, uncle in the Bronx, there, nurse Steve, big nurse, him wife, ambitious people. All of them have house. All of them have car. All of them have things. None of them no rent house or rent apartment. Everybody own and rent. So then give my son basement for living out there by himself. Him own everything. Him all right with him people. My son him love inside of people. Him grandmother have a heart attack and died. They murder him father. And him auntie died the day of cancer. And his grandfather died after wedding because he never talked for a long time since his son and his wife dead. And I just saw it go. My son I feel that a lot. Especially when he carry him own father in a casket. Him nearly dead because I love him dad. But God with me. God with me. And me come there so and me get the chance to come to America. And me come to America, I'm working $4.25 an hour, but me never left my son out. I'm gonna strip joint and me used to feel a lot of pain in my body. And sometimes I used to go to the club, I used to release the pain. I never realize that bad things happen to me because all the things I go through, I never go therapy before. And I never take counseling and on them something there before. So this is my therapy and my counselor when me talk. So my family decides that they don't like me, my cousin don't like me because of what happened. And no me keep it a secret. They still malice me to me up on social media, hate me. And you tell me about other people page and the same people where you tell me about, and them a cuss me. You tell me about the boy upon jump where upon YouTube and you tell me about him and in the family name every day. And you my cousin tell me about him. Jamaican where name and Jamaican whatever him name. And you tell me about the boy there. And every day the boy upon my name and cuss me. You understand me? So that is your star. Go to your fucking man. That's probably your fucking man and your colleagues. Them you have a customer on YouTube. And you have my family. I mean, never talk to me because you rape me, pan. Me want nobody know. I was keep it a secret. But me had enough. Me have enough. No worry, I got it. Just fitting on up on the girl. Me had enough. You understand me? Right now in my life, me don't have a sister who call me and say, how you doing? Me don't have a brother where me say upon YouTube and my mother that cussed me the last time I share upon YouTube. Me don't erase it, but me can't erase it because I'm not the first my mother tell me that she never liked me. And I've been hurt a lot by her. So that is the point that I cannot keep going back and hurting myself. That video will keep me stay away. That video is a reminder. Because if me the video that keep on remind me all the time, I won't go back the last time and get shut down like this. But you have to keep reminding myself. Me love her, but me cannot do it no more. Me cannot do it no more because my life is important to me. And if I sit down and make everybody fuck me and beat me down and rape me and talk bad about me, and me pay that mind, I will never be nobody in life. But me gotta show them that I'm stronger than them. I gotta show them that God have a purpose for me more than them. I had to show them that where I'm coming from and what I've been through only make me stronger but not make me weak. Because if it make me weak, that means I go out the door, take cracker all about and turn a junkie all about the place and all kind of shit. Not me. I am reaching for the word of God in the sky. I have my faith and I pray to God and I truly believe in God. And from one step and one door open, as one closed, God will open another one. But I would not sit down and be depressed about life and what I've been through. I'd rather talk about it and let people know where you see me go through with sugar daddy there and not something they want to do. Where you see my life being what happened to me, but God have me. No man out there, me now, I'm not looking for sex. Because only somebody having sex with me now could bring me down. Only somebody who's going to lie with me right now to try to bring me down. And I'm not going to go down. So I'm not lying down with nobody. I don't want to be in a mix up with nobody. No E-shade, C-shade, this, that. You don't come here talk about you're dirty, you're ugly, you think, you're thief, you're whore. All kind of sit in them attack. Last week, you're a whore, this day, and that day, and nothing. You never left your there, do your business. Many people call me sometimes, I'll bet me $10 soap or $10 shea butter. And if you call me from morning and say you want it, and you not show up for the whole day, you think me gonna sit down all day wait upon you for $110 like me hungry? Now y'all bitches be thinking that I'm hungry. Man, she must want the money, make me have her wait man for this. And me no blood clot hungry, me have money like newspaper pack up. Somebody run the corner. I'm going to do me so much shopping, fix up my style, make myself happy, eat good. Me not have no time for the hypocrites. Alright? Somehow you don't expect, say, you don't want company you come bring me down. But when not trying to bring me down, you bring down on yourself. Because God is with me. No matter what me go through, me live, you can tell me story. Me live, God make me live. Many times God make me live. Many times God give me a chance to live. Me never dead so many times and God give me a chance. I remember going to Kennedy Cut with everything that happened to me come here and I dance. Before me the more sensible more than now, because God is with me now more than then. I'm going to take ecstasy, I was dying. My breath coming out of my body, me start get cold, and my foot them cold like ice. And as death taking me and the death walk up on me, the death come fast, me can't speak, me can't ask for help, me can't do nothing. Me condemn to the feelings of death taking me. And the only thing I could have said in my mind is pray to God to deliver me and give me a chance to live again. Me say, Father, don't take me now. Just give me one more chance to live. And I'm going to make it right. I will talk about you, Jesus. And I will tell my story. That's what I was saying years ago when I was dying. I will tell my story one day if you give me a chance to live. And I will say that Jesus Christ is Lord. If you give me a chance to live. Because right now I know I'm dying. My breath is left in my body and I can't do nothing. But I know you can do something. And right when my eye them told my tongue swell big and start to choke me and I'm in throat. I can't breathe. The tongue just release and come back to normal and breath come. I was able to get up. I never see anything like this. Alright? I went to 75 pounds. Went to Jamaica with a suitcase with nothing in it. When a children's apartment closed, when I foot them dirty in a flip-flop. Mad as chad. Drugs and alcohol and everything that happened to me in life. Come back to bring me down again after so much years. Because the devil plans and I mustn't come out. I must dead that way. But I say no. And with God's strength, I never go a rehab and God help me and say no, not again. I promise God, not again. And I mean it. And here I am today. Nobody can bring me down. You cannot understand when everybody they then go 6 foot underground, you must blood clot, you must rotten. You must die one day. You must. You're not coming on the earth forever. You're not here forever. So don't come on here and try to bring people down when you don't know what their life was like, what they've been through. You cannot come and judge them. If I walk outside and I see somebody very stink and dirty and rotten, you think I'm going to cuss them, say, man, you stink, or you this, or you that. I'm not going to do that. If I have something I can give you, I'm going to give you. Because tomorrow I can see you and you're in a better place than me. I don't judge people. I don't like people cuss other people and carry them come on and take and make a show out of it. And say so and so, but it's just a show. I love people. No matter what I said, I do. You understand what I'm saying? So when other people want to come and say, you can't bring me down to where me go down already. You know if you understand, you can't go no more. So one who come when me pass through the words already, so that can't faze me. Words can't faze me. When you put your hand on me now, and you touch me, then me root you up. Then me root you up. Me root you out of the ground and take out your root them like grass and plant you somewhere else. That's the time me root you up. So when people want to come in here and think they can talk and bring me down and this and that, it doesn't make a difference to me. Because the end of the day, we know who I am. I know I love people and I love God, the only creator. You see, when I come here and being myself, a lot of my family, cousins, they don't like to see me rising because they think I should be under the dirt. And even when they know what I've been through, I still should be under the dirt. And they should become something when they are nobody. How come, I am not living in this country illegally. I'm not. But you got people who concerned, talk bad about me, and them don't have no papers, and them they are long before me. And them don't have no papers. The bad thing about it is make people like them they come at your house because when the paper disappear, you don't know who thief it. You understand me? You don't know who thief it. And that's the idea. Because when people come in your yard, cause they don't like you, them thief your papers because they know so they don't have no papers and they want to put in a problems. You understand me? So it doesn't matter to me what people want to do and what people want to say. The end of the day, I'm still alive. And for the time I have left alive on this earth, I'm always going to be myself. I'm not going to be who you want me to be, but I'm going to be me, who I want to be. Oh, and in the eyes of God, God going to love me. That's who I want to be. Man love is nothing. Because man love is on top of the tongue. But God love is all the way through. And it's sincere. Forever and ever. And it's unconditionally. It will never change. But man, they will like you one day because you put on like a bleaching cream and like a nose ring and contour makeup and in yeah man, you look good and your body tone and yeah, cause that thing you pump and puff up. That is man love. God love is pure love. It's not about your hair, it's not about your makeup, it's just who you are, what God make, and so that you appreciate him for making you. You appreciate the world that he make. You appreciate the living things and the trees and the water that he gives you to drink every day. You got to thank God for that. So God love is greater. You understand? My battery is dying. God love is greater. So when people want to come and try to bring me down, you can't fucking bring me down. Most of them that want to bring you down is because them can't see no way out for themselves. They feel like if them bring you down. No, me forgot bend on you, sir. Battery down, man. You understand me? Hold on. Sit down, so I can't bend on you, so my foot them hurt me. Yeah. So how I see it, I don't care. Who wanna talk bad about me? Who wanna this the end of the day? Me not beg nobody nothing. The end of the day, me not look no man. Me not look nobody if you come ride by my front. You understand? Or nothing like that. Life is great when you love God and you believe in God. And everybody who come after me and trying to sink me, you're gonna sink before you sink me. Something is going to happen to you and you're going to sink before you sink me. Believe that. I can pay you and give you change. The simple fact that most black people that come on here, when they come with 8 face and trying to crush you and trying to bring you down, they don't know where you're coming from. And some of them life is worse because they get up every night, then go party, them still have sugar daddy, them still have man that give them money, and even one, them have 1, 2, 3, 4 man them a sleep with, to get 3, 4 different money. And them not trying to work. They are not trying to get nothing done for themselves. You understand? Me seeing woman who come and me just say, they run all boat and catch man. You understand me? They run all boat and catch man. And when they done, them same man want to talk bad about you. But you know the amount of pum tight and then come and buy. You know a man them a catch. Because no way you could have buy that amount of pussy tight now and it done already. If I'm a man, you a catch. And you come and buy more. And you go and like say, I don't know who you is. And this guy is like, I don't know, say, are you same one? That's because you're using your body a whole lot. You understand me? But when the same time they come, they want to come around you and they want to act like something wrong with your heart, talk bad about you. You understand me? Yeah, me keep it real. Me keep it real, cause good day. Me one teeth where I'm the guy that fight and him broke and lick off my teeth and the gun. Me have to teeth each of my gun, right? And like me say, me clean my teeth very good and sit down. And when Goody come and pick up the cream, me say, Goody, me I talk because me know my mouth was stinking in your face. Can me broke off? She said, nothing like that, Goody. Not me could even tell, say I have teeth broke off in you. Me could even tell. She said, nothing like that. But you know, people wicked and bad mind. The more walk and say you stink. Because they can't deal with you. Sometimes people have fake profile, man where we know want there with you. And they just want to bring it on in social media because they're bad mind against you. Sugar daddy will say anything he want to say because he can't deal with me no more. My cousins who rape me gonna say anything they want to say because they can't do it no more. My brother come by here because me about bitch, that was payless. Come here talk about the things, I not talk with my buy, my mother. I don't say I buy it, good thing me buy. But when you go come and talk about a bitch, a PLS shoes and your last name, your Wigan. Me know say last name Wigan and my brother name the last Wigan. So me say upon YouTube, me gonna say I wanna. Well, before none of you come and talk, you better come with gun, come shoot me, especially one from Connecticut. Because if you are angry woman money or whatever, and you know go ask Skechers and go buy the woman good shoes, you can't blame me. You understand me? And when me was a little girl, you were living in Connecticut when married, you know who you is? You in Connecticut. I mean, I can't no rascal at all coming up here before me dead. Because I feel like I never heart attack for no ras. You come down at the house, imagine say you're up on Kang bus. And Kang is a old Chinese man. And you're up on Kang bus, we are going Mount Pleasant Road every day full of a school girl. And you making money on Kang bus. And see your mama go market, having life hard. And you making money on Kang bus and a pocket your money in your pocket. And put in some big old gold teeth in the front of your mouth. And all little school girl, man, them come and skin up them teeth and they with them and fuck them and breed them have much pitney. And one woman you meet, and you fucking meet woman and breed woman have pitney. And what you do? You always tell me, say, don't come in front of the house and I'm a dirty frock me have on. Because you don't want shame, you don't want nobody see how we I live. Like everybody knows how we are the poorest. And when me hear the bus come, every time Kang bus come, me have to run behind the house, go hide. Every time Kang bus go past, me have to run go to the back of the house, go hide. Because if me not run back of the house, go by the old frack and sit me a van, you're going to beat me. Because you don't want the people on the bus pass and stay over the yard and sit me in front of the house dirty. I mean, head not up with lice. You don't want to see that, so I must go to the back and go hide at the back of the house. You can't fuck all the young girl in Kang bus with gold teeth in your mouth. You go hide and you're there with one woman and you breed the girl. And the girl have a little girl named Mummy. Call her Mummy. The little pitney. And you must see the town, you must come a country sometime. And my mother go take the pitney and say, she not take care of the pitney good. And carry the pitney home. And me turn the pitney mother. After me done take care of my sister and brother and the whole of them, me have to turn on and take care of your pitney too. On top of that, and me a little pitney just a grow breast. Being raped and beaten and spitting on my face, and then you still come down there. And when you come off of the bus, you come down there. And you said to me, say, why you pitting them clothes no wash? Why the little girl clothes, the baby clothes no wash? I'm tell you, so no water in the there. No water, come for walk far, forget water for him, cook like a food. And water for drink, and water skates, if you go rare granny, go wash your clothes. And what you do? You go and take a piece of hose. And beat me with a piece of hose. You hold the fucking hose in your hand, the big piece of hose. And you beat me and murder me with the fucking hose. You mash up in them pitney, where you go breathe out a door. Where the pan bus with the gold teeth in your mouth, to breathe and bring woman pitney home. And my smaller sister and brother to take care, and you still can't give me young baby for me take care of my mother for go market and me take care of baby. And me there with the whole day take care of the pitney. And you come and take hose and beat me till my skin come off. You beat me, yes, Tipper. Yes, Tipper, and that you do. You beat me till my skin come off, Tipper. You beat me with hose until my skin come off. To take care of your baby and you're gone back, go collect your money pan Kang and go fuck who you want to fuck. You beat me until my skin come off, sir. To take care of your child and go look the water and make sure I clothes them clean. Alright? And one day when Dan did a beat me with a coconut broom, and I walk over and they lick me over, but then beat me for the clan nothing. I'm running to the house to my mother to save me from the beat. And my mother just kind of squeeze me behind the door and show me back out to you, Dan. And when Dan beat me, because before that, Dan Van Wigan, before that, Dan have a radio. And we used to have a coal skill for buns coal in the front of the yard. And when the coal skill never light up or nothing, sometimes we go up on top of the coal skill like stage. Because I want to be a singer and I want to be famous. I have a good voice when I was a little girl. And I go and see a tape and press the tape and start to sing. And to my understanding, it sound good. So I continue recording. When you come, I couldn't get it back off. When you come, I never smart enough to get it back off. And you come and you say to me, say, oh, trouble ready. And I say, I don't know. And you say, oh, dig up the yammy around the back. Oh, dig up the wall around and say, fuck up here and dig up the wall and say, dig up here. A bapo did a fuck up because a bapo did a look worm for go catch fish. So to bapo a look worm for go catch fish. I don't want to call the name, say I'm doing it because I don't want no trouble. And I say, I never trouble. And you tell me, say, open the back door. Look here, Moy, look here. Moy, what me do? Window. And me what me window, you see a green man go right in my eye nearly blind me. My eye swell big so and pop up. When my mama come from market and see me eye, she think me blind done. Me almost blind. Almost blind. I don't forget one day, me know when I couldn't find food for eat or something, was young. And I lie out in the front of the house, hungry till my belly, I twisting at the front of the yard and the sun upon the grass, and then I lay down nearly dead. Nobody fi save me. Oh, not tell me nothing, you know, when me talk. And Tipper, boy, I tell you. When me used to cook Dan food and cover up for Dan food, fin come and get, Dan never try to molest me no time at all, but he was strict. My brother Dan. And when he see me sitting on me eye swell so big, and this thing was beaten with a coconut broom, I never forget. Badly beaten. Who know when they take a whole coconut thing with the coconut fall off and start to beat you the whole thing with the coconut fall off if it's something funny, you know what that feel like? And child, when it start to be me run to my mother squeeze the door and push her back out to me, and when you beat me, me get away. Me run go down in the bush. Before me run go down the bush, me look by your Dan Van Wigan and me say, Dan, you're going dead. Me say, see God there? You're going dead. See God there? Me say, see God? You see God, look up for the sky, you're blue. You're going dead. Me say, you're going dead. Him say, you see, you're going to be a whore. And you're going to go to America and you're going to suck white man dick. That's what your life going to become. That's what Dan tell me. And me say, fine. If that's what you want, fine. But you're going to be dead. You would never live to see it. I said, this day I curse you. You're going to die. I'm going to put me hand up to the sky. I say, you are dead already. When I came in 1995, when I had a vision that Dan was dead, and he was lying in the backyard into a casket, I know in America, and I like for move on. I didn't hate him or anything, because he helped me to go look after medical. And I tell my mom, look, I had this vision. And 2 days later, Dan fall off him bike, crash off him bike, all him finger. He couldn't find some of my finger, them lost. The whole of Dan's face mash up completely like a buckle of glass. And him dead on the spot. And he was 26, he had to bury. And when I went to Jamaica, 1995, because after Dan dead, I go up there, I travel back to Jamaica. And I said to him, I promise you I would sweep your grave off. And I go and get a broom. And I start to dust the grave. So I say, I told you. And a hard piece of wind start to blow like a storm. So rough. He was present. I said, I never mean it. But it come to pass. And as I go inside the house tonight, I lie down. And I never was sleeping. And he come right at the door and stand up. And he have a khaki pants and a yellow t-shirt. And he do so to me. And by the time he said, Jesus Christ, look, see him. Then I show my sister them disappear and gone. That's the last time I've been to Jamaica. Right? But Dandy died. And I went and sweep off his grave like I promised him. Okay? We'll close the window, you know. Like I promised him. I am a good person. And my brother there right now named Bappo. Him there right now. He used to beat up all the time. And one day, the beating wasn't enough. So I decided to right in my face. And as I can remember, I think that is a curse. It was black like any fire coal, and it stinker than anything you ever smell. It stinker than anything you ever smell, the one put on my face. When I just saw it black, look like gunk. I'm just put on my eye and everything. Two on my face. Coal and slime and stink on my face. And when Bappo have him baby mother on the beach side, when hook up him like a shop, cooking him like a food, he must find some cocaine on the beach. And somebody come in the morning early man and knock on him door. And when he walk me some bunch of man storming and shoot him baby mother in her stomach, she was pregnant. She lay back in the bed and she died. And then shot him and stab him up. And then bust the cylinder, shot him on the cylinder and light the whole place afire. And he was blown out into the sea. Helicopter have to lift him go public. And my mother carry him there here. And me and my ex-boyfriend get into something. And Jefferson Avenue me there. And the boy over there is not feel good and not pain. I have to carry him to Kings County. Go help him fill out papers. Thank God me teach myself to read. And tell him to give him some Percocet. Because remember when I get plastic surgery on my breast, a Percocet, me did use it. Kill pain for hard pain. And I saw him get it. It never long before the boy texted upon me and my mama throw me out. Man, the boy getting it over the boy, my mama throw me and tell me left my place. I mean, I don't know where to go. He said, Mom, but she said, I don't care. I call the police, but you left my place. And the woman throw me out. And if I call one boy, I said, for $100 if I can go to Port Authority and put him on a bus to go Connecticut. So I mean, even know that alarm before me start get I and them sitting there. That was all cost everything. When me get up there, I never know the place. I don't know if you go live, but then so we pay the hotel fee and you can have some of it stay. So that's why I go up there. You pay $20 a day and the boss then pay $20. So you can live in a Connecticut for just $20 a day if you pay every day. You know? I not pay the rest, I didn't pay it. When me call my mother and say, Mom, you know it's after 12 o'clock, me just reach up and say, no, come in and know if you go, can you call police for me, show me the place, me know if you go. She turned to me and said, girl, me not like you, me no want obligation, where you call me for galang. Me don't like you and your sister and your papa, me not like you. Girl, me no want obligation. And I feel like I would have killed myself. You see what I mean? So when people want to sit down and chat, talk about me stink and dirty, me don't know who them I talk about or who fool them. Or when them I come with, people must laugh at them because most of them go there meet me in a real life, on the train and all about the place. But people just wicked and bad mind and they don't know where you come from. And when people trying to put you down, you know. You know about to bring them no further. Because them trying to get a hype and they want to put you down to reach what them I get. That's why I'm going to do a lot of videos and shit with a lot of people. Notice why when I pick and when I talk to people and they start to act like them better, you know, then don't go start tell lie upon you. They must start say you're ugly, you're dirty, you stink, and you try to get them a break, you know what they up to, so just cut them off. Because you can see right through fucking them. God give me the power that I can see through people a lot. God give me the power that I can see through people a whole lot. And that's what I thank him for. Alright? That's what I thank him for. And my brother who used to beat me with hose. When me got on there when Dan was dead, I received a call from him. And he said, listen to me. I hear you in Jamaica wearing a lot of mini skirt, short skirt and top. dressing like that and all that. When a man a talk about how me dressing and how he want beat me for me dress, me tell him, say, come and get me. This is not like when we used to many young. We are big woman, a big, much bigger young woman now. 1995, when I went back to Jamaica, big young miss. Me don't have me pitney how long and come and friend back. You're going to treat me for my clothes. After you have me beat me for my take care of pitney clothes them. You're going to treat me for my own clothes. I have freedom to wear my own clothes them. Gary! You know you live in Kingston now. You're also one of my brother. And you come to me one night and say to me, say, if you grind me, I will stop piss bed. And I tell you no. You think a liquor try up on me if you try to get me confront. As God be my witness and kill me for lying. After me done rape by 2 already. And it wouldn't happen. Me said, no, fight with you. And you go ahead one day. And I was cooking some curry chicken back because I made the cooking. So my smaller sister and brother and for Dan and before Dan did them time they put up in food. And when you came in, I was only trying to taste the chicken back batty. Just the batty passed me a taste, you know. And me I cook it. And you turn around and you beat me with a machete so bad that the marks can't come out of my back. See it there? Look good. See it? A bleach maker use okay get black. You see it? Machete mark out of my back like tattoo where can't come out. You take a big machete and you start to beat me with my back with the machete. When me get to me, I have to run and take away the whole bush and if the food pan the fire. The way you beat me with the machete up till this day, it's still in my skin, bro. It's like a tattoo in my skin, bro. See it? It bent into my skin. It bent to my skin, bro. Look good. See that? A machete mark that in my back. And I cook. For a piece of chicken batty. Curry chicken back batty. And that me get. Machete on my back. So, when me a fucking talk, me no care. Because me have to talk before me dead and free myself. And make people know. And everything on the ear, that's how it go. Me not no shame when me talk, me just talk. Me never plan for come here this morning, me never smoke nothing. Me never drink no tea or nothing from morning. I usually me have to smoke for talk my mind. Today me just talk. Usually me have to cool my brain with something, but today me not put nothing on my brain. Alright? So when people want to come and bring me down, try fucking bring me down. Because who want to bring me down now, no papers, who no work on other people's papers. I know we soon get catch. You understand me? Bad mind because me come here and get my papers and me get my son. You understand me? Me get my son. Nobody never give my son a t-shirt. Even when my mother come from front of my son at the same house, never a t-shirt you know give him. And I love my mother. No disrespect. Me not talk bad about her, but it's just the truth. Not even a t-shirt my son I get. When everybody else I get around him. That show me that you really hate me. Not just me, but my son too. See? Life is what it is, and a lot of people go through life, and when they can't take it, the more they kill off them family. You hear something bad happen, and they just kill out people. I'm not that kind of person. I like to talk. You see, me past that already. But I just want to know when I see me online, I take care of myself. Sometimes I take off and sometimes take care of myself because sometimes I'm running day and night, I get to eat good, I get to do nothing properly. And sometimes I take time off and take care of myself. I can't just run until myself mad. So when I see me come on, I become just a chill, try to get my mind together, get my product them together. Like I said, I have a lot of things here for go do. I have whole heap of cream for go mix the whole of the shelf. All pan the ground, and I have cream all about pan the ground. And all these are new cream that come in. The second shelf, I'm going to mix them and pack them downstairs. I have a lot of things to do, but I have to go out today same way. Like I said, you see all this here, so I pack out this morning, so all this I get empty back down. Pack up back then, so. See, everything is not, let me show you right now because it's not stay right now. But I've been working, you see, I work. You see it? I'm working. I mean, I've get through the second shelf because I'm so busy. I pack and I ship and I just saw it go. You see it? So I saw it go. Yeah. I have a lot more stuff. These are the beads, like a belly beads. I'm sending out this man, some of the back. I mean, I have no time if I take care of myself and make sure I'm making money because the summer's on the corner more. I'm going to do up my nails and fix up myself. More if I have money, I can go treat myself. Because I can't depend on nobody to treat me. So I have to make sure so I can treat my own self and some of the right on the corner. If you don't see me, you see me a cream. Oh, the cream get all between my pants. So, Lord, what am I thinking cream up? Watch out. Go right the sun, touch your cream, and I realize, well, I'm skin cream up. That's a thing cream up. Cream catch pants up. Watch out so quick. Watch out, cream. Yeah. Because the summer is around the corner. What is it? What is it up already? The summer is around the corner, you know. And like I said, I need to cream and a cream for morning yet. So I need to cream up. I need to cream up. You know? I need to cream up, but I have to wait because the cream I mix out this morning. Thing something like this. With the strong medicine in it. With the real whitening stuff. Yeah. So that's life. We don't compare here for broke style pan people or compare here for I done this man with send out this morning. For all that me compare because I really like to talk with people who love me. You know, and that me compare for people who love me. You know what I mean? Me not compare for the one them wanna love me goodie. Because people have them everyday life I go to, and Jamaica is a place where a lot of people do a lot of wickedness and get away with it. You know what I mean? They rape them sister. They abuse them, they spit on them, then call them all kind of name. And do all kind of shit to them. They used to call me Zachariah's head. Moon is from the moon. So my face broad like a moon and me ugly. All them shit about that, they stop them from rape me. And abuse me. And beat with machete and sitting. And for beat for wash them pitney clothes. Me not for shut them out for nobody because me not beg on nothing. When I help me with nothing, me not beg on nothing. You understand me? I have to bleach and try to change myself and be different from who I used to be. Because I don't want to see that person want to abuse. I don't want to see her. I want to see somebody different. Because that person carry too much pain and too much mark on their face and scar on their heart. So I have to remove it with the cream. Remove it with the cream, man. So I look in the mirror and I see that person no more. I don't want to see that little black girl that suffer so much. I don't want to see it. You have a lot of bad mind, dirty blind people and dirty mind man. When they can't jump on your front, then talk all kind of sitting about you because they can't ride you. Them can't ride you, they can't have sex with you. So they not go have nothing good to say about you. They're trying to see how much they can break you because they bad mind. Because as much as them say you this and much as you say that, people still are follow and people still like you. You know? So because of that now, it will come in time, man. Like I said, it's only 3 days, you know what I mean? From Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday. So I mean, you don't expect say. But I know about the weekend come, I'm complete. Before weekend come, I'm complete. Because 3 days, 3 more days, or 6 days, I got to go. And the only reason I do lighter, I go lighter because the summer come and everything have a white like this and whiter. The whole thing have to be, you see what I mean? Yeah. It's because when the summer come, I don't cream that much because it's too warm. And when the summer come, you have this pretty complexion. Very pretty. Very pretty complexion. Hold on, goodie. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm not a car warranty. My papers, as them I use. Every time I talk about car warranty, Elevate car warranty. I'm not a car. That's why they teach my papers, I see I have car in my name. Them so damn sick, then call it from all kind of phone all about. I want them, I can't tell them I learn about, man. So if one person disrespect me and disrespect me to a certain way, don't expect me to go up my crutches to you. I'm not. A lot of people to them will use you and blackmail you. Try to see when they can't get rid and go up online, go try to blog you out to try to make money. And all them shit them. I can't do what I want to do. I not answer no again because no a dranko. I call someone must see a call. What is this? Hello? Oi! Me using cream to lotion my skin good, not whitening alone. I'm using cream. The whitening cream I'm using. Well, depends on which one you want. You want the big or you want the small? The small one at $40. Listen, goodie. Like I said, this what I'm using on my face here is a special whitening. Sometimes it takes 2 years to come. That one is not like the one you're getting. I have another whitening. The next one I have is similar, like the sister to it. But this one is more like real faster. But it takes long to come. Sometimes I'll 2 years in a come. But the lady had got some from my brother from Africa and she gave it to me. Because I've been asking her. So I never sleep for the 5 days because I have weight pan. So that's why I have that now. I have on for my skin. But I don't sell the whitening alone to sell the medicine. I don't sell the medicine by itself. I sell cream. I have it. I have it available if you want. When you coming to pick it up? Oh, so you want it shipped to you? So why you buy a $40 one when you have good whitening like that will take so long to come? Why you never buy $80 one? Why you never buy the $80 one or the 170, the extra large? Why you go buy the smallest one? Eh? But this one is different, I'm telling you.
You done?
Here.
What?
No, I'm busy. Here. So the money, if you come and collect the money, I ask if I'm done. I'm not done. Yeah. A lot of people want the medicine. If I could send the medicine, I'm not send the medicine when I use mixed cream. A lot of people are requesting to send the medicine come, but I can't do that. That's what I use to make the cream and stuff, you know. But you can get the cream. If you want, you could get the cream. I was supposed to keep all that for myself, but I still sell it to my goodies then. I not do that. You know what I mean? Can't be not selfish. Selfish at all. Because what happened, the other one worked just fine, but me lazy to cream. The problem is lazy. When you're lazy, you don't want to wait. You want white now because you're lazy. And I don't want to plan out with people sometimes. I'm so tired I can't cream no time at all. And my skin get out of shape. So I put my skin back in shape because some of the right around the corner. And when the sun's so hot sometimes, you never want to put on a makeup sometimes. You just want to put on some what you call it? Neutrogena sunscreen. And go along where you go. So your skin will get black up back. And put on your little earring. Because sometimes it's so hot, you don't want to put on a makeup in the summertime. You just want to put on where you run go somewhere. Your skin look clean. Put in your two little knob earring them. Pin up your ear. Your face clean. And you carry like a nice little rag. And you take the white rag and you put it into one something with ice. You know, one Ziploc bag or something or tie up and keep it in your purse. When it gets so hot, you just squeeze out that. Squeeze out the wet rag, dry, and just do so. Stop over your face, nice and pretty. So, I don't want my skin clean up, because I feel like my makeup. I don't see me do it all a while, so. So, for the last couple of days, I've been going out, no makeup. I've been on the train just like this, which me not care. So, you know, for them, like, I take picture, I don't care. So, I'm just turn my back. Sometimes I turn my back, yes. Yeah, I drank of them. I drank of them, man. This thing need to be fixed. Why it's like that? Okay, I need my other phone back from Jay. Hold on. You call back on your line if you get that phone. Yeah, because you know me have more than one phone. Oh boy, I tell you. 2 more missed call. I forgot I can't stay on the house today because... Huh? Don't worry. Don't worry, Cody, you know what to do. You can't make people come on with them stinkers, scratch and them stinking hole. Because they can't use you, they want to come and think that they're going to bother. Can't fucking bother me. Can't bother me. When you do, you report them to Facebook. That's what you do and lock them off for good. For harassment and all this shit. Because Facebook is not like before anymore. It's not like that anymore, you know? It's like things change. It's not the same no more. And they don't put up with people harassing you because, you know, police is on the line. And everything is different now. And I like one time. Yeah. It's a shame. And you know, it's fucked up when people using fake profile to harass you. What a damn shame. Eh? Now you know your ass is fake and you come harassing somebody. Now your whole line is going to shut down because I'm going to report you. Okay? You're going to know who smell like shit now, who stink like shit because your reporter going in. Right here. Report this profile. Fake name, fake account, fake account. Fake name. Report profile. Yes. And also black. Yes. Okay, so now you're off. So now you're black. Report and black. Okay? Now you know who stink like shit. You know, dirty mind, yeah? Dirty mind. Dirty mind. Boy, your mouth stink like shit. What about all that, eh? Just because they can't make it. Now who stink like shit? You black motherfucker. Get off here. Just like that, my black one. Take the next phone and go in and make the report. Same time one on the live and black on one time. One time. Can't do no life on this because suck on a mama. Want to come on no work for and conditions people what they work for? Out of here, you're black. Ta-da, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Don't worry, I'm getting out. Everybody don't need to be in here. Gonna be off today. Don't worry. Everybody that needs to be off will today. Yeah, because them fucking auto order and you give them a chance, they want to come to live and sell jewelry and bleaching cream like what you do and come and beat you down. That is case I line up like a quick already. You understand me? They want to come beat you down, damn auto order. And your mama pussy stink like shit, bright. Fucking auto order. When they can't use you, then come with all kind of shit. Take them down, man. If I high pride too much, you know, I go right down today. All of honor. Going down. It's going down today. So when you're all black, you know nothing to say. You're just black. Don't forget that. And don't ask why you're black. Because you know why you're black. I'm not gonna put up with slack people all the time, sit down here, and then come and you have to come try pull you down, and you're gonna sit down every day and let them come off of this bitch, go find attention somewhere else. Then you can't get attention somewhere else because you're too real. If you get them off, get off of this Ross. Me not follow you, me not friend of you, you're off. Not friend, and I'm not following you because I don't know. You add me as friend and follow, me not friend and follow you, me not know you. You're black. Go find somewhere else to go spread out on the big stinking crutches. Go find crowd and leave my crowd alone. Since me not good and me not wonderful, I'm gonna go somewhere else with that. Me not follow you. Black. 2. I don't know you, bitch. Gotta go. Sorry. That's when I come on and I have to go. Because I come on with some bullshit. I'd post, black and hide. Whatever post they have is gone. Also, no post. I respect people. So I tell us, share whosoever with me, share. Because whosoever don't share a video, I can't find a video on the line. I'm black or no? Because what means you're not with me. I want to know who is not with me. And the only way for me to find out, if you share a video and you don't, then gone. Gone. Fucking shit bag, you know? You know, for ramp, when I have respect for people's shit, when I have respect people's shit, when I go and see them way. Black. Sure. Why not? Gone. Your career is gone. By the time I touch your button, your pictures is gone. Your fucking career is gone. You have to go with 400 people or 300 people with the have for a long time. Because that's all you have. You're not going to have no more than 300 people. That's all you have. So, me we have the crowd and have the 70,000 for no work pan. On no one that, on no one come back and cuss me and bring me down. And tell lie upon me. So you're out. Go and make your own crowd. So all who want here spread out today is your day. Bye-bye. You're gone too. Sorry, go to Hollywood somewhere else. Not here. Who is you? Let me check you now. Friends and follow me. I follow you too now. You're good. Come in and know you like that. Today is a day when you all stinking Ross gonna come off and find a way. Me not care now. Come in off for one on crowd. Me not for make crowd. Black. And no, me not open back. So whosoever black this time, remember that I was open you guys for the past couple of weeks. I just open you guys and open you guys. So I know that you can't open no more. Alright? It's done with. I gotta be that stinking white woman in here talk them shit because she follow me everywhere and follow behind me. Because she not better for do. I try to see this. This name here. All them fucking motherfucker talk about I go let them fucking come from fucking Israel. Get the fuck off my blood clot phone on the fucking Israel long line. Get the fuck off here. You're gonna be black stinking motherfucker. Come off in an Arab motherfucker and come off here. Blood clot come on this. Right here, motherfucker. Get off this blood clot here. It's not even a fucking Arab guy. It's a fucking black guy doing this shit. That's a fucking shame. I tell them about the black people, man. Eh? Tell them about, oh no. My God. Black. Go find somewhere else you're gone to. Sorry, Arab guy. You don't play with dirty drunk people no more. Cause them, these kind of people here, them come to come try, see if they can bring you down. But I realize they can't fucking bring me down because I not care. I come and talk my business every blood clot day because I not care. That's what life is. That's what life is. That's what life is, man. Okay, another one right here, so again. Arab, black. And there's another one coming Arab again. I want to say I'm Arab, but a black people, I'm do it. You understand me? A black people, them a do it. Good. Time to go through the rest. Because I have things to do to them. I have to go up on the road. I can't sit down. Alright. Guys, I will get right back to you in a little while. I have something I got to do. Very important.